What up, chat? What up? What up? What up? Sorry, I'm a little late, but I also forgot to set the pre-stream stuff up too, so you know. My fault. But we're here. We are here. Been a long night? Nah, I'm chilling. I be chilling. Long drive yesterday. I feel like I drove across the fucking state. What up, man? Is that stand? Yo, it's building a car takes forever. Why does it take 6 hours to install a diffuser and lip chat? Like, okay, not 6 hours, but they said 4 hours. How does it take 4 hours to install the 2 pieces of carbon fiber? 4 hours? That's all you do is, you know, dig a hole here, dig a hole there, insert them, screw. Like, shouldn't take 4 hours. It's a BMW. Yeah, but like, it's plastic, no? It's fucking carbon fiber. It's so light. What up, yo? What up, chat? How you guys doing today? How y'all doing today? Everyone goody? Can't try to do an hour. Honestly, I don't care. I'll pay the same price to do within 20 minutes. I just want them to be quick and efficient. What do you do there? Like, what do you do? Just sit there and wait? I got no patience. Let's do. All right. Good morning, chat. Welcome back to another day with your boy. Yeah, today is if I'm not mistaken, today's and maybe we might break at the range. Maybe we might break at the range. But I don't know, man. The daily time frame is in the same spot it was yesterday. You know what? Before I get into that analysis, let me just check what's up first, chat. So today, chat, you got, let's see, send the Zoom link first. Yeah, but say you have overall unemployment claims. So unemployment claims 830. That's all you gotta worry about, really. And then after you have 1030 natural gas storage, but okay, USD yellow folder at 1030. Not too worried. And then tomorrow you have a big day, I believe. Tomorrow you have well, not really. You have prelim consumer sentiments. So yeah, you have a pretty chill week. I think today unemployment claims should bring in some volume, but I don't think that's enough volume for us to break out this range here. I think if we're gonna range until our catalyst, the next heavy catalyst is gonna be CPI, which is on Tuesday. So next Tuesday. So I wouldn't be surprised if you don't actually break out until next Tuesday, or yeah, until next Tuesday. But hey, hopefully beforehand. I mean, Valentine's Day is coming up. That is on Valentine's Day. So, but yeah, and then you have core retail sales as well. But yeah, chat, that's about it. That is gold. Or that is that. Let's go ahead and do the analysis real quick. So the analysis on gold today is here's the thing. The weekly has yet to flip bearish yet, but you have 1 day left this week. You only have 1 day left, and that's tomorrow and today, basically, a day and 11 hours. So yeah, you create a top week for sure, but you haven't really flipped bearish, and you might not even flip bearish, right? Obviously, like, you have 1 day left. You could still flip bearish. I did say this week we are bearish, and we can flip bearish at any given point with the fact, oops, it's too loud. Yeah, but I did say that any given point this week, we could flip bearish due to the fact that we are bearish for the week. In this case, you haven't done so yet. You could flip at any given point. Again, as long as you don't break this high, this thing should be valid to flip bearish and drive down towards next support, right? However, it's really going to come down to the small time frames, because you only have a day left, right? And for us to flip bearish, you're going to need a lot to happen. And one thing I noticed about the daily time frame is the daily time frame actually closed bearish, respecting this resistance here. So you have a resistance right around here, and looks like you have closed respecting again, right? So don't pay attention to the way the candle looks right now. Pay attention to the way the candle closed. because that tells you a lot more than the way it looks right now, obviously, right? So in this case, as you can see, there's a resistance here, support here, sorry, resistance here going across. So price has never closed above before, and when it did close above, what did it do? It drove up. This kind closed above, this kind respected, this one drove up, right? This one to the right has all been respecting all 3 days. The past 3 days, almost 4 of today closes below 2, but the past 4 days, 3-4 days, you've been respecting this resistance after a huge bearish candle that closed below the range. So therefore, at any given point, what can happen today is same thing that happened yesterday. You can still flip bearish and drive down with the daily once you kind of create a top wick again, just like yesterday. That's what happened yesterday. However, yesterday we didn't close bearish. We came down, but then we actually made our way back up. But yeah, any given point, this could happen today. Again, you have 1 day left in the weekly, so if it's gonna be a day where we actually flip, it could be today or tomorrow. But there's a lot that needs to happen, and you're gonna need a catalyst. So what I will say is, yeah, I mean, we're in the same 4-hour range. The thing with the 4-hour range though is, damn, there was a resistance here. We closed above yesterday, right? Obviously, during the London session. And then price kind of made its way back down, right? It kind of closed here, made its way back down, created a minus support here, and then created a resistance here. This thing never closed above. It's still respecting. And then at a given point, this thing can drop down to retest the lows and tap these levels here to the left-hand side. Now, here's the thing. If we're, I mean, technically today we're bullish run daily. Like technically the daily is bullish day, right? But overall, if you look at the structure, we're bearish due to the fact that we're respecting resistance, and the weekly is still creating a top wick and can flip at a given point. So I'm looking for buys today. I'm also looking for sells today, right? But for buys, I'm gonna need a range 2. For sells, I'm also gonna need a range 2 as well, because yeah, I'm gonna need a range 2 for buys and range 2 for sells. So in this case, my buys would probably be, buys are pretty straightforward, to be honest. It's the same level we had yesterday marked up for buys, and that's going to be above 1886, right? We never closed above yesterday, still haven't closed above, but above 1886 would be clean for us to drive up towards the next resistance, and that is going to be probably like 1819.03. That's if you break out. I highly doubt we're gonna break out today, but if you break out, cool, then that's your next target. But for sells, I'm interested in sells as well, and I'm gonna need sells probably below. Let's see. So this is your resistance. This is your next support right around here. And then you have a support down here. So yeah, level over here. You know what I'll look for sells at? I'll say same thing as yesterday, really. We're in the same situation as yesterday, where we can take sells if you kind of close below here and then form a mini range here. So if we can create some type of support down here, respecting this resistance, because then this would be a range 1, this would be a range 2 breakout, and then once you close below that range, right, then those are your sells, right? That'll be your solid candle to drop down further. But I'll look for sells if you were to form a range 2 in this area, this being range 1, and then wherever being range 2, and then we take sells below those ranges to come down. All right, so that's, I would look for sells below 1878 if that were to form, because I need a range 2, obviously, right? Range 2, and I'm also gonna need a range 2 for buys too. So and then you can see you have some type of minor support in this level here, so you can mark that up as well if you want to. If you don't want it to be cluttered, and you don't need to, but really realistically, we're not touching this range right away. Like, this range is irrelevant to us right now. Like, I don't care what happens in this range, we're not touching this range, right? Because there's no direction in this range. There's no direction from 1878 to 1886. So why would you want to touch it? You want to avoid those ranges and then take your sells once you break below here, or once you get the range 2 belows there, and then take your buys once you break above here, above 86 for range 2 buys. But whatever's in between 1886 and 1878, you probably don't want to touch. You want to avoid for a day. That's what we're gonna do. So yeah, that's gold. I mean, pretty straightforward, pretty clean, and whatever we just said, right? Whatever I just said, in terms of waiting for closures above these certain ranges, waiting for a range 2 breakout, is all we're gonna do, right? It's not gonna be like later on, let's say it's 7:15, we have something else. I'm not gonna be like, yeah, I'm getting in here, guys. No, it's whatever we said in terms of closures is exactly what we're looking for. So it could be, it can come in an hour, it can come within 20 minutes, it can come next week, who knows? But whenever that comes, we'll be in there like somewhere. If it does not come, then unfortunately we do not get positions. But that's all that trading is now, man. Pretty straightforward. A lot of people have a hard time in this after doing their analysis, they have a hard time waiting. That's why a lot of traders fail. The waiting part is hard for them. They can't pass the waiting part. And if you can't pass the waiting part, I'm sorry to tell you, man, but maybe trading isn't for you. So it's either you fix up or you give it up. Because you need patience in trading. And without patience in trading, nothing's going to work out. But that's all we're going to do. That's all we're going to do. Just like yesterday, man. Yesterday, chat, we waited 3 hours for a trade. Was it worth it? Hell yeah, it was worth it. But I'd rather wait, 3 hours for a trade than take a trade that's not my trade. You know what I mean? It could come at 7. It's been a while since we had 7 a.m. trades, but this is time last year. I think it was during quarter 2 where we had a 7 a.m. trade every day. So the market shifts, right? There's never a perfect time to take a trade. Like some days, some people might say, London's better, Asian's better, whatever. But at the end of the day, the market shifts that way. There will be times where London moves more. There'll be times where New York moves more. So that's why, you should kind of treat them the same, really. That's what I do, at least. There'll be times where New York moves at 9:30 every day. Like right now, I think nowadays, the past couple months, past 2-3 months, New York has been gold has been moving a lot at 9:30. But there'll be times where gold moves at like 6:30, 7 a.m. Those are better times, obviously, but who should gold trades? Yesterday on stream. Hey, why you turn off? Why do that for? What are your founders' thoughts on you trading high figures? Are you getting more value in society? Are you enjoying having cash? Is it possible for everyone or only skilled like you? Everything's possible. I mean, high figures, they say nothing. I got bigger visions, bigger goals. Like, what want me to tell you? It's just kind of what I do. I've been doing it for years, so it's kind of like, it's like over time, your high figures changes, right? I always tell you guys that, like over time, your high figure changes. At one point, me making, 1K was great. Or like 20K a year was great. And then me making 40K a year was great. And me making 100K a year is great. And me making 200K a year is great. And making, so that changes over time. Like, what is high figures even, right? That's the way I see it. Because your relationship with money changes pretty quick, especially in this game. You ever go to the ATM to take out cash? If so, what's the ATM? There's one in Toronto near you ever up in lot sizes? Yeah, up in lot size once a year. I up my lot size once a year. So in 2020, I had 5s and 8s. In 2021s, I had 5s and 10s. In 2022, I had 10s and 20s. And in 2023, I'm gonna bring it up to probably 30s, 25 to 30s. But I'll slowly, gradually bring them up this year, and then by the time it hits March, I'll probably be out there. I'll be there at that point, and then I'll look to keep that lot size the whole year, and then next year we'll upgrade it to like 35 or something. But yeah, I'll let my lot size once a year. Same capital all year, once a year, or not same capital grows once a year. Sorry, capital grows and up my lot size once a year. So the risk actually goes down as the year goes on. But overall, like when I'm using risk, I'm using risk of overall capital for my trading accounts, not just one account, right? GJ, right here. Just chuck it at 50 lot size for real. Why do you focus on 2 pairs? Is it too confusing? No, I can trade 20 pairs if I want to right here. If you guys want me to do so, you know, I know damn well, chat. Some of you guys in the chat every day, when you guys have your charts up, this is how it looks on your charts. You guys are like, hold on, let me do it real quick. All right, so guys, they were trading GJ. We're trading GBP USD. Make sure it's all Wanda though, because we're sponsored by Wanda. I'm kidding. You know what? Let me guys got US30 as well. Don't tell me this is how you guys look on the charts right now, man. I mean, you guys have like 20 pairs open. The thing is, like, it's not that it's confusing. It's not that it's confusing, but it's just, look, oh, there's nothing that I can do on gold right now. I'm gonna go check out your USD. I'm gonna go check out GJ. What's GJ doing? Nothing clean as well. You know what? Let's open up a new pair. US30 and in the range. JPY and not too clean. GU and matter of fact, let's open up another pair. So this is what you're gonna keep doing, and as you keep doing this, and you're forcing positions because you don't have your position on your pair, you're gonna start to overtrade because you're forcing positions that you wouldn't take in the first place. Like you shouldn't be forcing positions. Like I can sit all day on gold, and if there's no position on gold for a week, I can care less. And then you guys got, what do you guys got? You guys got USD MEX. Like some of you guys opened this up at one point. Like, okay, see, that's clean. And then you guys be searching for entries, you know, it's just, you don't want to do that. That's too much. You told us that we would trade US30 this year? Exactly. I told you that. And you fell for it. I'm kidding. I mean, yeah, like I wanted to, but what's the point now? I mean, I can just trade gold all day. No need to add a US30. I mean, we're still trading GJ. That's the thing. Like we didn't delete GJ yet, but hey, man. Hey. We're still, the year's not done, okay? The year's not done. It's only second month, 9th day. We have the whole year to trade US 30. One time this year we'll trade US 30. I mean, we'll eventually trade US 30. Have you ever blown your account? Of course, I blew my account like 20, 30 times. Of course, everyone blows their accounts. Blowing an account was my hobby back then. Used to wake up and look forward to blowing my accounts every day. What can I gamble today? USD CPI or USD or pound interest rates? You know, that was my day back in the day. Nowadays I wake up and I wait for a closure. My new slogan is another day, another discipline. Back then though, it was another day, another news trade. It just wasn't working out too well. So remember yesterday when we were talking too much and not trading too much? And then after the trade, they're like, yo, where's the trade? It was nonsense. It was crazy. It was actually crazy. First they said we talk too much. And then when we get a trade, it was too quick for them. That's why I talk a lot, man. Gotta keep it up. Damn, chat. In February quarter one, we last year we had a 90% win rate. This is our best month last year. Interested. Let's see. Yeah. Cool. I don't remember this being my best month though. I think stats wise was, but overall I think March or something. This is June, I think. June or May. October was nice too. One, two, three, four, five. Cool. Damn, we haven't moved since we started the stream here. This thing has been in the same range since. Opened up at 1882, still 1882. Oh shit, trade's taken. Sorry. Should be no trades today, not yet. You updates on the website? Yeah, I can't tell you much except for the fact that it's almost done. That's all I know. That's all they've been telling me. So yeah, I mean, it's basically almost done. It's just I gotta wait until it's out. I can't do much. Bro, I'm new. I just want to know that you live trades on stream? Yes, we live trades on stream. Yes. Yeah, I was supposed to do my Christmas. It's February. It's basically my 3-year anniversary of the course. Or 4 years. Is it 4 years? 2020? No, 3 years. Farmer Trev. What's going on? PC giveaway? Yeah, that is Paul. The boy Paul. Hey. Wog or Mog. Wog. Tier 2. Thank you for a tier 2. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. Thank you so much. Why aren't you buying gold, bro? Because, bro, if you watch my analysis, bro, I'm looking for buys above 1886, bro. Why aren't you buying gold, bro? Bro, come on. Your new broker spread is 17 is a high, probably 1.7. Probably 1.7 pips. 17 points. Probably 1.7 pips. That's still kind of high, but it's doable. I mean, I'm a Blueberry, so I'm a little spoiled, you know. Blueberry got small spreads, but yeah, that's pretty good. You can scalp on a 1.7 pip spread. The US broker has 7-0 spreads. Yeah, we'll go bankrupt by the first quarter. Ice markets is better than Blueberry, probably. Not gonna lie. I'm with Blueberry, but I'm pretty sure Ice markets is better than Blueberry. I just can't use them here. Or maybe actually I lied. I swear one time some guy came into the chat and he's from IC Markets and he said, yeah, you guys could trade it. I think IC Markets could be trading in Canada now. So if Blueberry ever leaves me, I'm gonna go to IC Markets and just trade there. Because they have Canadian clients again. Or they accept Canadian clients. Let me check. Not a client yet. Open an account. Like your country of residence. Like I swear they have Canadians now. Oh, that's you? Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, I think they have Canadians now. When I first started trading, I was with IC. I wasn't with IC, but they're still around in Canada. Like I was still able to trade with them, but then I think 2019 hit and then they stopped. They left, or 2018, and then Canada, or no, and then I went to Vantage FX. Vantage FX was actually really good too. That was my favorite broker. That was the best broker I've been with. And then later on TD, and then later on Blueberry. No, but Blueberry is good. All right, thank you. Yeah, how come you guys how come we could trade on TD on not TD on IC again? Excuse me, is it real account? Amen. That's up to you to decide. I don't know what to tell you, man. Don't know what to tell you. You're talking from the side of the mic. My fault. Just shocked. Never saw a big amount of money. Trust me, this isn't big. There's traders out there that have 1,000x the size of my account. Like, this is nothing. This is like I'm like a baby fish in the big tank. Trust me, this is nothing. This is nothing. And a lot of guys that have bigger accounts, you probably never heard of them ever, but they're not on social media. Did you guys know that there's FX trading that's not on social media? There's people out there that are trading Forex and they're not on social media, and you don't know who they are, you don't know how they trade. No way. Yeah, there is. There is. It's crazy, right? It's crazy. People that are trading Forex and they're not on social media. Yep. It's a thing. That's definitely a thing. Don's humble because he's been humbled. Facts. Been humbled since April 10, 2000. April 10, 2000, back in the day, I got humbled real quick. The day I was born. I really enjoy your streams. What are 4 things you would focus on if you started trading today? I would focus on 1, staying consistent in terms of waking up at the same time every day. 2, I'll focus on creating a playbook for yourself. 3, I'll focus on your reaction to a trade and not looking at the wins or losses, but looking at the way you react to each trade. 4, I'll focus on yeah, that's it. Those 3 things. How come you said 4 not 3? You made it hard for me. But yeah, 3. Those 3 things. Those are 3 most important things, I'll say. I don't want to tell you the usual. Don't overtrade, don't over leverage. You know, you hear that shit every day, right? But 3 things that I haven't heard in the industry are those 3 things I just told you right now. Maybe the first one you heard of waking up every day at the same time. Stay consistent to that. That's you probably heard that before. But in terms of playbook and focus on the way you react to a trade afterwards, those things you never heard. Sleep, it depends. Like, I honestly don't have enough sleep like consistently. Like, I had 6 hours of sleep last night. Is that enough? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. But usually I get 4 to 6 hours of sleep. Like, some days I have, like yesterday I came home late. I slept for maybe 3 hours maybe, and I was fine. right? So sleep is different. It depends on the person. I can do things when I don't have a full night's of sleep, except for playing sports and being active. So that's a little different. But when it comes to trading, I can trade when I have an hour of sleep versus like 8 hours of sleep. It's the same thing to me, because you know what? I have a playbook, and once you have a playbook, that's all you follow. There's no there's no emotional attachment to anything, and you're only what is that? You only get emotional attached to trades when you don't have enough sleep, right? Because your brain starts to think a bit differently. But when you have a playbook, there's no emotional attachment to trades. So it doesn't matter how much sleep you get. You're just following your playbook. You're making decisions, or you're not even making decisions. You're looking at your playbook and you're literally just waiting for that setup on your playbook. Like, that's why it's so key to have a playbook, because it helps you out psychology wise a lot. But obviously you want to sleep, you want to sleep. But I'm just trying to say, like, for me, there's nights where I don't have enough sleep and I'm fine. Like, yes, Dave, we're fine. It doesn't really control me. Now, for some people, yes, it could be different. It could be different. Like, I think my Apple Watch shows that I have an average of maybe, let's see here, I think 5 hours of sleep on average. So it says, how do you oh, a health app there, that's where it is. So sleep, last night I had 6 hours and 1 minute. However, last 3 months, or the last month or so, I've had maybe an average of 5 hours and 7 minutes of sleep. Yeah. So average heart rate, let's see, average heart rate would be 4 to 5. Resting heart rate would be 45 to 60 beats per minute. Damn, sleeping heart rate is 40 something. I'm basically dead. Is it pointless to compare the DXY to gold to confirm direction and whatnot? Not pointless, but I don't really do so. There's no need to look at DXY when you can look at gold and see all the information on gold. You know what I mean? Like, if the dollar's strong, you'll see on gold. Dollar's weak, you'll see on gold. There's no need to look at DXY or look at, some indicator that tells you what's stronger. You know what I mean? It's like, you see these things form. You know when volume's gonna come in when you look at price action, or at least when you trade like us. You can see volume without an indicator. So there's no need to look at those indicators to tell you whether or not you're gonna move or not during the moment. Like, right now, we know we're not gonna move. Why? We're in a range. We haven't broken out of 1886, and we haven't broken out of 1878. So we know we're in a range. And if you look at an indicator, it's trying to tell you that there's no volume right now, and that there's no direction right now. So, like, these things you see on gold anyways, right? Like, let's go on the indicator, the what they call it, the currency indicator or something like that. The strength indicator. Like, this is the indicator. It shows that USD, no volume. Look at gold, no volume, right? So what's the point of looking at the indicator? It tells you the same shit. Just look at price action. It tells you a lot more, if anything. Let's go on round pair. Let's go on, I don't know. Let's go on, Euro CAD or something. All right. Is that a pair? Yeah, that's a pair. Euro CAD. So it's going Euro CAD. Is there volume? Might be a bit more volume on gold, but like, it may be like 1 or 2 bars more or same amount. It's like Euro CAD, right? CAD here. The Euro's a little higher, right? But CAD's still a lot lower too. It's like these things you see already. GJ for instance. Like there's no volume right now. Well, there's actually a bit more volume actually. So pound might be a bit stronger because you're actually been pushing up, but yeah, because gold's been in the range since. Right. Look at GJ. I am pleased. Yeah, this is GJ right here. Any thoughts on NASDAQ? No, I don't really trade NASDAQ or NAS 100. I'm stream hopping. Is that a problem? No, but that's what you'll be known for.
What's still?
Wix.
Good morning to you.
That was a sleeper Asian session last night, huh?
I'm still sleeper.
Sleeper Asian session.
I don't know what the fuck that was.
Yeah. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is, yeah. Wait, I have a question. Someone had a question for you in the chat. What are your thoughts on funded accounts? You know, you never answered that question though. That's the thing. You never answered that question.
I didn't hear what you said.
What are your thoughts on funded accounts? Wix wasted 2 hours of my life during Asian session, back-to-back days. Yeah, where's the trade, bro? You talk too much. Boy, how do you start Forex? How many dollars do you do you have on start, and how you grow account? And wrong approach. You can't approach trading like that. You know what I suggest you doing? I suggest you going on Forex, no, on babypips.com and finish up grade 1 to maybe grade 6 or kindergarten to grade 6. I don't think you need anything past grade 6, honestly, but kindergarten to grade 6, right? And then come back to the streams. That's what I suggest you doing.
What are you, Happy Gilmore? Just sending everybody to elementary school. It's crazy. So are you trying to outdo my Asian session?
Me?
Yeah. You trying to outrange me?
No, thank you. But I'll do Asian session. I'll do Asian session when I do my 24-hour stream.
Don is trying to outrange us during the New York session here.
I'm not gonna lie. When I do my 24-hour stream, I'm gonna sleep on stream. I'm not gonna be up. No shot. I'm gonna sleep on stream right here.
Word, you know what? Me too.
You're gonna sleep standing up?
No.
You look like the guy that will sleep standing up on a New York subway though.
I'm gonna sleep upside down.
24-hour stream, yeah. But only like I probably at like 50K subs or something like around there.
Yeah, 50K subs, 24 hours, never ending stream. This is the stream that never ends. Yes, it goes on and on, my friend.
They'll be like, "Wow, Don, you did that 24-hour stream and all you did was talk, and you didn't catch one trade." Hell yeah, that's what I did. That's me. Wow. Can you break out this range? Range.
Is that a reef tank?
Go
No.
away.
Is that a reef tank? You fool, that's a lizard tank. You see any reefs?
You trade futures? No.
Not a fool, just a question. It wasn't an answer, it was just a joke. He thought my computer was a reef tank. I thought you were joking. I thought you knew. I'm sorry. I thought you were in on. I thought you were in on the joke, Robin.
And then a joke too.
I thought he was in on the joke. He's like, I'm not a fool.
Shit.
Well, now you know. Don Wicks banned me from his Zooms. I'm surprised Don hasn't banned you, dog. No, you gotta
Right.
get. Why is Com not a mod? Too ratchet, right? Too ratchet for the chat.
Call FX?
Yeah.
Yeah, he needs to be here for another year.
I think he'd be walking around just smacking people with the wrench if he was a mod. And just off my stream. Magic trick. Just
How do you know where to draw resistance? How do you... Hey, where did the question go? How do you know where to draw resistance? I don't see the question no more. It's gone. How do you know where to draw resistance? Okay, there you
oh,
go.
that's the question.
How do you know where to draw resistance? I have a video on SNR. Go on Green just sent it actually in chat. It says a link. This is how Dom plots his form resistance. Okay, hold on. Who wrote that? Who wrote that? This is how Dom plots his form resistance. I would never do that. I would put this is how Don draws his form resistance. But who put plots? That sounds like Circle Effects or someone.
That's an educationary word.
Yeah, that's a very that's a big word right there.
I need more whatever it is, education.
Plots. You know what? That might be JXTR. That's Marcus for sure. Don, you mentioned about one day which messed the whole month profits. Been there a lot of times. Please share out more on how to avoid them. You keep having them. That's how you avoid them. You keep having them until you realize that those days is what makes or breaks you as a trader. You winning or losing a trade doesn't make or break you as a trader. You can win all day, you can lose all day. It doesn't make or break you. You can flip your account to 100x in a day. Doesn't mean shit. You can blow your account within a news channel. Doesn't mean shit. What it means the most is having that day and learning to avoid that day. That day of letting you know what I mean though by that day, right? That day, when I say that day, I mean like days where you're consistent for a month. Like usually it's in the start of the new month or it's the start of the new year. When traders come in, they're like, yeah, I'm a new trader. I have a new mindset this year. I'm not gonna overtrade, blah blah blah. Yeah. Next thing you know, they go through the first week, success. Second week, success. They have that one day where things slip up, their emotions gets to them, boom. Over trading, over leveraging, this, that, and they just blew whatever they did in the last 2 weeks all within a day. Just because they couldn't control their emotions. I couldn't make my 2% today. Fuck. That ends up being the whole account being gone. So that's what I mean by those days. So you gotta learn to avoid those days. I have more of those days. Eventually, when you have more of those days, you'll learn to understand that those days are your most important days.
Word. Buy the course. And get the signals. How do they say it? Get the bundle. Get both. You got a BOGO deal going? Can we get a BOGO deal? I wonder how many times Don questions himself before letting me on here. Then I realize I'm fucking Wix 9. Hell no, we need to be on here.
I was trying to drop M4, man.
Yo, if I were you, I would figure out a way to install a fucking 60-inch flat screen in there and stream.
I thought you were gonna say some other stuff about some part or something. I'm like 60-inch
No.
flat screen in there. You running Instagram by yourself? Yeah, I do. I do. I post all my content by myself.
Yeah, we need an in-house editor.
Oh, we got an editor. This is not in-house yet. It's for Don only.
No, we need an in-house editor so I can utilize it as too.
TikTok. What you bought for them for yesterday? I bought a lip and a diffuser.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
How are you gonna put them on?
I got a guy, but he's like, it'll take 4 hours. I'm like, 4 hours to install a lip and diffuser? That takes like 2 minutes, right? I mean, you gotta cut it up, custom it to my car, but it's like, it's an M4 lip. It's like, there's no need to custom it. It's just like, that's how it came. It's for the M4. It's for the FA2. So why is it gonna take 4 hours to create? And what's Gold doing right now? It's breaking the lows and breaking the highs.
Just peel off the sticky film and push it.
That's what I'm saying. That's like, it's just like a bunch of screws, sticky film, and that's it. Like, what's so hard? Why is it taking 4 hours?
Oh, this shit's not on Velcro? Should have bought the shit with Velcro. Just shit. High curb, take it off.
No, you need a button for that. High curb? Yeah.
No, you just get Velcro.
Yo, imagine getting out of your car. Hold on, I'm just getting rid of the bumper again, back on the street. Put it back on.
Excuse me, sir. That's my spoiler right there. Can you please stick it back on?
Couldn't pass the 3 meter clearance thing.
Go into the movie theaters, fucking park the car, walk in with your own fucking spoiler. A spoiler and a bumper. Shit, if they both have the Velcro tie, you could Velcro them together and just... What is that, a spoiler bumper? You never seen one? Get yourself a Lego body kit. Lego M4. You seen how they made the Lambo? The Lego Lambo? Shit is getting...
Hey, you looking for buys above 1886, Wix? You know, when Wix comes to the stream, we have at least 30 minutes of talking with no trading. Just pure
vibes, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and then you know,
because I'm a motherfucking vibe.
Yeah, we talk too much though. We should start talking in charts.
Shut up and candle.
Yeah. But you're looking for buys above 1886 or what?
Half of them are half asleep right now, so it's a good thing. I'm waking them up right now. I am your alarm. Yeah, 1886. We established a new high. We broke the highs from.
I was gonna say you broke
night.
that down during our Asian session.
No. We just said that the highs that we broke would be valid to drive up to 1886 from we had 1881, that 3-1. We said it's up to 1886. It was clean range to fill, and it did. So now it's above 1886.4.
Do you see the daily, by the way?
What about it? We never broke the daily high. Still respecting?
No, we're still respecting the resistance.
Yeah, but the thing is, we wanted a bearish close yesterday. We never broke the daily high right now. If we start coming back down without breaking the previous daily high, and we flip.
Mm-hmm. Well, same thing happened yesterday, really. You did the same thing. You kind of flipped throughout the day. And I'm surprised you didn't close bearish.
Yeah, but, you know, look, it's banging on this door at 1886.6, and it just can't break it. If this daily candle doesn't break it today, there's nowhere else to go. We just want the weekly, right? We want the daily to keep closing below 1875.91.
Mm-hmm.
If the daily keeps closing below there, we have no choice but to eventually drive down. Need a catalyst to get the fuck out this range.
I think it's CPI on Tuesday. That's in like 3 days.
Very
2, 3, 4 days, basically.
You have unemployment numbers today. Oh no, what do you have today?
Yeah, unemployment. I don't think unemployment claims would break us out the range like that, out of this 4-hour range.
But I think it's an orange folder will be a longer lasting effect. It might not be as volatile as a red folder, but it tends to be a longer lasting effect.
Yeah, in terms of
this will start the drive, and eventually we'll get out of there.
Yeah, maybe it'll give us a 10 pips.
Maybe it'll give us 6 and a break even.
I'm looking for studs below 78 too, but
yeah,
I'm gonna need a range 2 below there.
Well,
that resistance
below 70. You said below 78 too.
78, yeah. I'm gonna need a resistance form. Like I'm gonna need to close bullish below and then break lows. Then with XAUs.
My level is almost the same. It's 77.7, but sorry.
Yeah, 77. That's right there, basically. Yep. Oh, 77 would be the range 2 probably. So it's either way. I'm waiting for the range 2. You're waiting for 77. We'll get the same entry probably.
Yeah, it'll be the same entry because you'll see the market start a new small time frame range there, a new support, a new resistance. Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. But until then, if this thing keeps bouncing in between 86 and 78, then it is what it is.
Just about to say that. It is what it is.
It is what it is, yeah.
I'm in my mom's car. Buzz down Tatiana. You know her too? That's very true, Josh. How profound of you. Until it isn't. It is what it is. Until it isn't.
Hey, anyone in the chat have PA4 tires for winter?
What, Pirellis?
Nah, Michelin.
I got them P0 Pirellis, dog. Shits add like 45 horsepower.
You know a guy. Man, I hate this Noah guy stuff. Looks like a guy in high school that I always knew a guy. Like this is a guy in my high school. Like I knew him since high school, right? And he was a guy who always knew a guy. Like you need something, he knows a guy. You need this, he knows a guy. But then one day when we graduated high school, and then one of my boys met up with him for the first time over like 2-3 years. He's like, "Yo, hit me up if you." The guy goes, "Yo, hit me up if you need to get into this college. I know a guy." I'm like, "What do you mean you know a guy to get into a college?" I was like, damn. I don't get me in college. Are you going to stay in Toronto or you want to live somewhere else? I'm considering going to Florida for 6 months, spending my 6 months in Florida, and then spending 6 months in Toronto, and then, you know, maybe make a switch if I get real comfortable. But I think Toronto will probably be my home for a long time. I've been here my whole life. I like Toronto, but
Absolutely no reason to have one home.
I want to see if I could get something in Miami.
Yeah, nice little condo in Miami. I'll look after it for you.
Yeah.
And be FaceTiming you from your own condo. Yo, you know where I'm at?
Florida in the winter. Yeah. Also, if I do that, I get to have cheaper taxes. Or
You could be like every
Florida.
snowbird, except it's weird. People become snowbirds in their 60s, right? Once they've retired and made their money.
Just go to Dubai. I can't. I got no innovation there. If I go there, I have no innovation. I need to go somewhere else, you know?
What's he gonna do? Have a fucking host an in-person and buy a Ferrari?
Yeah, I can't afford to live in Dubai, bro. That shit too expensive. I like to live. I'm gonna move to Detroit, bro.
Florida's full. Stay your ass in Toronto. Word, Florida is full. Habibi, come to Dubai.
I'm gonna move to Detroit, bro. First FX trader in Detroit. Who's from Michigan here? Coming home, baby. Hey, Detroit's like a 2-hour drive away from me. Chicago. I've been in Chicago. Chicago, Atlanta.
I think you gotta come to Miami. Move to Liberty City.
I've never been to Miami though. Like I've never been to Miami, LA. Yeah, I've never been there.
Look for a crib in Hialeah.
Buy Honda? Got you.
Buy Honda.
I'm gonna move to the Keys.
We move into buy a Honda together.
Is the Keys is basically Bahamas, no?
The Keys is basically Cuba.
Oh yeah.
It says 90 miles to Cuba. We could hit the gym together. Me and you every morning.
Ooh.
La Fitness. We go to La Fitness.
I actually got my fitness. You're from Detroit? Nice to meet you, man. Detroit, I've been to Detroit before, but I wouldn't move there. Not gonna lie. Charlotte is nice. I've been to the airport. It was lit there. I think it's good. It's good enough for me.
I've been to the airport.
It's good enough for me to move there. Nah, I would never move to Charlotte. What's in Charlotte even?
You go to La Fitness or Crunch. I go to La Fitness and UFit. I switch gyms up so people don't be fucking trying to catch me in there.
The thing about Toronto, man, is like Toronto's like you love it and you hate it. It's like during the summer it's fine. Like it looks fine. Like everything's it's nice. But then winter's not even bad this year. It's the thing. Like I mean this looks bad, but it's not bad. Trust me. This isn't that bad. You just stay home.
Yeah, that's not that bad. Look at that. Fucking like everyone looks like an Eskimo. It's crazy.
This ain't bad, you know.
Look at her. There's an Eskimo crossing the street. She needs to be in an igloo, and she's crossing the street. This is crazy. You can't live there. How you planning to play hockey in that weather?
For real. I gotta play soccer, right?
Yeah, that's straight soccer weather.
Straight soccer weather.
Tanisha said, yeah, hell no.
Yeah. It's not that bad in Toronto, man.
But whatever that was, I take Liberty City over that. I don't give a fuck. I'm good rolling through gunshots at right after school.
Damn, it's raining today. Damn.
Oh, you're from Liberty City? I didn't know whether to be like, damn, my condolences. Please accept my condolences. Be like, congratulations. I don't know. It's tough being from Liberty City. People play soccer at night in Brickell downtown. Yeah, they play soccer all day, every day, all over Miami, all year round, because it's always warm. People eat snow for breakfast in Toronto, but you got to make sure, for one thing, that it's not yellow snow. Chad, you want a piece of advice for life? Don't eat yellow snow.
Shit, we talk too much, bro. We gotta start trading.
What, this barcode? Keep their attention away from this barcode and they won't blow their account. Yellow is the best. Don't eat yellow snow. Do not look directly into the sun. This will get you. I'm gonna get you through life just by this advice. What you drinking?
I'm
What kind of liquidity
drinking.
grab is that?
I'm trying to get some liquid in the markets. You have about 12 minutes till NY open, and we've yet to move because we are Mr. Move. I want to live somewhere it's legal for weed. Come to Toronto. It's legal here.
Be extra ready for today's comics. Because I think we could actually head down here in the next 20 minutes and comics. We might have the same entry we had yesterday.
Oh yeah, it was around the same time yesterday.
The same exact entry. Same exact area. We might fill the same exact range from yesterday.
Oh, let's see if we can close below 78 here on this 1 hour
candle. That was the
candle.
candle right now where you had it. I think that was
That one yesterday.
That was, is this not it?
No, this is the one yesterday.
Right here, right here. No?
This right here was yesterday. This time.
No, it wasn't this range right here.
Oops. Yeah, it was that range. Yeah, it was that range.
We're gonna get the same fucking position today.
Well, you need to close below here. Or
just a little lower, yeah.
You need to push down 20 pips in 10 minutes to see some volume here. The forecast is clean to push bullish. Well, I'm looking at the 4 account. I'm looking at this. I'm like, yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Very interesting. Don't know if that's your GJ. No, not right now. I'm looking at gold only. I don't think anything crazy happened on GJ. Did it? No. Nothing. Are you a TAT student or Raja? Who is best? I'm everyone's student. I'm everyone's student. Everyone that I got value from my whole life, I'm their student. Number one student.
Numero uno.
Yeah. Numero uno student. Still sell position? I'm not in no positions. Do you trade ICT? No, I don't trade ICT. Um,
No cap, that's demo.
no, 100 ICT, but I've definitely heard of. I've been hearing that stuff for my whole life since I first started trading.
ICP better than ICT.
Do you have an income? Do you have other income stream than FX trading? Yes.
Insane clown trader.
Roger saying you're his best student. That's why I asked. Oh,
What the fuck is a Roger?
well, that's a compliment.
ICUP. What's ICUP?
Thank you. Now for real, is that live? This is a second guide today. Amen. You make that decision for yourself. Like, I don't know what to tell you. Like, you know. You know. I don't think I demo unless you deposit 147,258. Unless you withdraw 43900. Like, you know what I mean? You don't. Never mind. Sir, why are you starting this account with? I grabbed this account by the bootstraps. And took it up. Spello ICUP? No. That reminds me though, grade 3 all over again. Wow. I remember doing that. I spun that out in high school. I mean, not in high school, in grade school. Have you ever looked at ICTs ish? Yeah, I have, but it's something I want to get into. I do what I do now for a reason. You know? How do you trade then? I'm an ICT trader? Well, if you're an ICT trader and I tell you how I trade, it's not gonna work out, bro. Trust me. You're not gonna like it. And I'm gonna get manipulated by the markets. First, he's your mentor. Thank you, thank you. I love Raja.
I don't know what that is.
What would you looking for GJ to be interested in trading it again? I'm still trading GJ, man. I'm still trading GJ. Just I'm looking at gold at the moment. Should anything? Yeah, trade price action. This is what we've been doing for the past 3 years on stream. We just buy. This is how we trade. To sum it up, there's a lot more to it, but to sum it up realistically, it's buy at the high, sell at the low, negative RR. That's how we trade realistically. Yeah. Realistically, that's how we trade. If you think about it. Buy the highs, sell the lows, negative RR. Who's your mentor? Uncle Ted. Uncle Ted is my mentor. Sell high, buy low? No, we buy high, sell low. Every trade we take is a sell low and to buy the highs.
Every trade I take is high.
Well, look. If you look at it, it is though. If you think about it, chat, like that's what we do. People always come in and say, why do you always buy high, sell low? That's just what we do. Like I think yesterday's trade, we sold low, right? The thing about selling low and buying high is that you're following the trend every time. That's the thing. Hold on, let me show you guys. I'm missing some links here though. Why am I missing some links?
Because your shit's blocked.
No, I just didn't paste them. Copy link address. That was yesterday's stream.
Oh, you're missing a whole bunch of links. I see.
But yeah, yesterday's stream, I think we pretty much sold low, bought high. Yeah. We sold the low. There was a support there. I think. Yeah. Almost every trade is similar to that. This trade. This trade right here. Again, sold the low. We bought the low, right? Or we sold the low. This one over here. This one. Yeah, this one. This one, we sold the low again. Right? So we keep selling lows and buying highs, but for some reason it just keeps working. So I'm not trying to defend anyone, but Roger did say today that you were his student and not sure of your success. Just let you know that and his concepts are your self play.
Discuss this because he's a better troll than we are. He's better at trolling than we are.
Uncle Ted's my mentor. What want me to tell you?
He also said Forex won't be around in 2026 just to get you guys fucking.
Nah, it's all love. This is. And Damien, I think you missed Friday's stream. Oh no, was it Thursday's stream? What stream was it when he came on? He donated $500 and just. I think it was Thursday's stream or something.
No, he came in and he heard you were leaving on vacation. He's like, how am I gonna not pay for his vacation?
Yeah. Yeah. Roger saying he taught you. Well, I'm not saying he never taught me. I watched his streams before, so technically he did. He does teach me. But as for mentor, I'll say Ted's a closer mentor to me than Roger was. Because I actually talked.
They're talking in terms of course and stuff like that.
Course.
He said he was your.
Course. I never bought his course. I never had his course. I never bought Ted's course either. Or I couldn't, right? 'Cause I think at the time Ted was promoting.
He wasn't given a course, right?
Ted was promoting market fluidity, so like, yeah. I never bought Ted. Only courses I bought was Q Bank's course and Beat the Market Maker. But as for teaching, yeah, I learn from people through online, through YouTube streams. But I wouldn't say mentor. Unless
I would say
Ted. I'll say the closest person to mentor is maybe like Ted, just because like Ted actually talked to Ted, right? So
I think other streamers, not just Forex streamers, but streamers were more mentor like than Roger. Right? Because There's other streamers. There's gamer streamers that you can emulate on your stream, right? Vibes, personalities. Homie wasn't the first one to stream. You know what I mean?
Nah. It's all love, man. It's all love.
I think Damon there's hitting the nail on the head. Those are good. Those are good questions to ask, Damon. Go.
Hey, Damon, man. Whatever you think. Whatever you think. But at the end of the day,
But those are good questions to ask.
Your focus really should be, or your focus should be waiting for a closure above or below the range, man. Which line? Starting tomorrow, me and you gonna start beef.
You and I.
We're gonna start beef.
We gotta talk about this after stream.
Okay. After stream, you out. We're gonna start beef between me and you. I mean, we're gonna
create division in the community.
Yeah, and then we'll see.
We're gonna have sides. We're gonna make people choose sides. And then there's gonna be big beef, a lot of drama in the industry. Everyone's gonna talk about it, and then we're just gonna do a stream to 24-hour stream together.
Let's both open up a funded
clear in the air.
Let's both open up a funded broker, and then I'm gonna take all the money and run.
Nice, let's do that. And I'll talk mad shit about it
on IG Live.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is fire, bro. We about to blow up.
I'll invite Roger onto my fucking live.
It's over.
We'll talk mad shit about you.
I can't compete.
And then then we do a 24-hour stream talking about, well, we're over it. We're clearing the air. We're bringing the community together. That's gonna bring. You know how many viewers that's gonna bring?
Okay, answer what the wrong way. I try not to answer anything the wrong way, because this industry, you answer one thing the wrong way, oof, it's not going good, man. It's not gonna go good for you. You're donezo. So I try to answer everything carefully. That's why I think hard about these answers. Try to answer everything carefully, because one word slips up, boop. Hey, this guy said this about you. Hey, I'm not trying to be part of that, man. Oh no, I'm just.
Like say I taught Don everything he knows. I did twice. He didn't listen the first time, so I taught him twice everything he knows.
I don't know, but no drama is boring, right, chat? Sometimes we need, but me and Mixon, we got you guys. Me and Mixon, we'll do some stuff. We'll start some drama.
We'll start some. Yeah.
We'll start some shit.
Fuck your couch. Does the Zoom call end at the same time with the streams? I don't know. You're gonna have to be in the Zoom call to know that one. You know how you get in the Zoom call? Wired. One bad clip and you're arrested in Romania. Why are the courses so expensive? Cheaper than 4 years of college. I'll tell you that much.
Course so expensive. I mean,
Value.
yeah, I
Value.
mean, like,
What's the
here's
trade-off?
the thing though. If it's too expensive, that's fine. Don't get the course. Just watch the streams. That's the thing as well. The streams are free, and the streams are free. The trades we give out are free. Everything is free, really. So it's like there's no need to get the course when you're on the streams every day for 6 months straight, right? Get the course if you don't got time to come on the charts every day, or come to the streams every day because you're busy with work and stuff. Forget that. But if you have time in your life to come to the streams and sit down here for 6 months straight, 4 months straight, by the 4th, 6th month, you have a good understanding of what we do. So you don't even need that stuff. So just keep coming to the streams. They're free. There you have it. Go get the playbook. Go get the spreadsheet. We give a bunch of stuff for free. And we have a whole website coming for you guys. That's free too. So just come, take your notes, buy a pair of headsets. Oh yeah, you need a pair of headsets though. Buy a pair of headsets and use it to your advantage, right? Use it to your advantage. These are live. Right, guys, remember that. These are live streams where you can ask live questions and get live answers about the live markets. That's kind of cool. Back in my day, we didn't have that. When I first started trading, at least. Until Raja did it. But that was like maybe a couple years or a year or two after when I discovered that. Did something happen down Savage? No, I don't think so. I don't think no. I'd talk to Down Savage every now and then. He comes here every now and then. Jeez, gold. 80M opening. You have 10 minutes for comics open. Nothing has happened yet. We've been in the same range all day. I lied. No, we popped up to 84. Came back down to 81. It's just, we can't touch this range though. It's like we're looking for buys above 86 and sells below 78, right? So there's not much you can do here. It's just like, even if I wanted to, I can't. One thing I'll say though is that the 1 hour count does respect the support. You kind of close respecting here, respecting here, respecting here. So you're still respecting the support level to the left here. Any given point you can fly, but even if you do fly, like I'm not interested in buys here. I'm only interested in buys above 86. So I want to see it fly and break above here. If it doesn't do that, then this is a no trade range for me. So gotta wait. Same thing I said at 630. Same thing I'm still doing right now. Wait for the closure outside these ranges above 86 and below 78, right? Can't do anything in between. Are you Vietnamese Americans? I'm Vietnamese Canadian. Do you sometimes give signals out for free on Discord? No, I give signals out for free on a stream. I hate when people ask me to give free signals. It's like the streams are literally free trades. Like we live, if anything, on the stream you get the breakdown, the trade, my emotions with it. You get everything with it. Everything.
I think you get a free trade like once a year or once like every half a year. Don will drop like, here's a freebie for you.
No, I don't do that.
No more?
Nah.
You used to.
I used to back in the day, but that was before I started streaming. But now it's like the streams are free. Why do I need to give free signals?
Makes sense.
All right. It's like, if you've been here for a year and a half, you used like 136 wins, 61 or 43 losses and 61 break evens on stream, documented from 0 to nothing.
From 0 to nothing?
Yeah, or fuck.
What?
From 0 to whatever it is now. Like you know, you've been here for the last year and a half on this stream. You'll be up a good amount, good percentage right now for free too. So,
Right. If you've been with us for the last 2 years, you went from 0 to nothing. just like
Man,
we did.
no, that's not promo code. Value don't go on
Shit.
sale.
If you joined Paul's signals, you would have went from 20K to 5K. Big dubs.
Man, oh man, there goes that man. Love you. The love for you from India, love man, love from Canada. The streams I did, I literally a course. Yeah, if you go on my IG page and you clip up everything, you put it into one document, that's a course right there. How to grow a small account. When to get a
It's
funded
basically
account.
every section, but with a voiceover.
Yeah, if you have time, go through my Instagram, binge watch this, and you'll get a good understanding of what we do if you go through our IG page alone. So it's like
The best ones are how I made $4,200, how I made $2,700, how I made $8,000. Kidding. The educational ones, go over skip the ones that say how I made, and go to the ones that say that teach actual concepts.
what up, Carly Ray? Then you've been here for a while. I remember your name. You've been here on the streams since like 2021. You've been here for a long time.
She has, and she's always been on my streams, literally
Yeah.
from the first stream on
Been here
Asian.
for a minute. Car's an OG. Goes an OG here. Let's see. TC trades. What's going on? Any trades yet? Darren with the big L. Why is that your name? No. We haven't taken a trade yet. But why's your name Darren with the big L? It should be Darren with the big donk.
Explain lot sizes. Some beginners see your winning numbers and understand wrong thinking. It's easy. No. If you are one of those traders, you shouldn't be taking any trades here. You should be just paying attention.
I'm in my mom's car.
Vroom, vroom.
Vroom, vroom. Sorry, I had to wake Chad up. Chad was sleeping. I know it's a little boring today, Chad. We haven't moved yet, but I gotta.
Yo, go cold start the M4. Wake everybody up. Wake up the neighborhood.
It's not that loud. I learned how to open the valves yesterday, though. Press down the accelerator before turning it on. I didn't know that. How to get rich quick, Don? I don't know, man, but this is my life real quick. Oh, him and Q Banks. Those are the two guys that I looked up to when I first started trading. Those two guys. That was his name. My life real quick. And Q Banks. Yeah, Ryan and Q. Those are the two guys I looked up to when I first started trading. Yeah. I remember his name now.
I had no idea who that was until maybe like
And then
last year.
And then the guy named Ricky, the Forex Ricky, not the stock Ricky, the Ricky with the gold Lambo, that guy. That was Marcos' boy.
Is it?
Yeah. That's his boy. The guy, the gold Lambo. You know the guy that lives in Dubai, the gold Lambo? Like gold Lambo, like gold, like Ricky, Risky Ricky, that's his name.
Oh, Risky Ricky. I was gonna say the Sheikh, the Sheikh, the Crown Prince.
Amen. Those are guys those are the first people I kind of found when I first started trading. Those guys, those are OGs. That's nostalgic though, right there. Damn. I hope everyone has a good day. Eddie Lift, thank you for the $4.99. Yeah, man. Hope you get a good lift today too. When will you increase the lot size for 20? I increase my lot size once a year. I've yet to increase my lot size this year yet, but by March it will be at around 25 to 30s, and then it'll be there for the whole entire year. How many IMO drops still here? Plenty. And now I get to see we looked at Don Vo when we first started trading. That's crazy. Yeah, that is crazy. Hey, man. I can be that guy for you. Yeah, I watch Donville streams. Your friend joins. Yo, this guy talks too much, bro. He doesn't even trade. Ooh, 3 minutes for comics. 3 minutes for comics, and then you have news. So I'm not sure what comics will do today. The thing is, it's orange folder, so you may see a push for news, but I'm trying to think. You have comics, and then you have news. Orange folder for news. I mean, if you get a push for comics, you get a continuation during news, is what I'm assuming. But again, it's orange folder. Like, your best bet today is 9 a.m. trades. What's up?
Stop breaking any lows here.
Nope. Not doing anything. Just in the range.
In the range, innit? Innit?
Hey, yo. More bound up. If there's good news for unemployment, how does that affect gold? I think if you go on Forex Factory, it shows like what happens when things come out a certain way. So yeah, actual less than forecast is good for currency. So if it comes out less than 191 today, it's good for currency. So if it comes out like, for instance, 190, it's good for currency. So therefore, dollar goes up, gold continues down. Technically. How are we going to trade gold? Just my pair, I guess.
I'm shooting this shot. You know she going out with gold, dog. You know gold's the only one true love.
True love. Shouldn't be
This complicated. Oh, we stopped. I thought we kept going.
True love shouldn't be.
No hard feelings, but the feeling is hard though.
Wait, who could get the key?
That sounds a banger.
Damn, dog.
Remember we used to play music?
Yeah, remember the good old days.
I'll go to love trading gold. I mean, love trading gold. He still loves gold. He still loves gold.
Right here. Here you go. Here's the comic scandal.
All right, comic candle. Let's see what we got going on. Raja got more views than us. You know, at one point Raja had like 3K viewers. I had 50 viewers. Like when I first started streaming, I had 50 viewers. He literally had like 1, 2, 3K viewers. I was like, damn. Maybe one day.
You know,
I'm almost there.
I don't think I never had 50 viewers. I think I started off with 80.
Yeah, you got someone picked up by the bootstraps and just gave it to you.
I was made a name before the stream. But yeah, but for a while there, we were like at 80 to 100, while you were at like 1,000.
If I become more toxic, I'll get more viewers. I know. I can't though. It's not in me, bro. I can't. Man. So
Just
comics
something on how to
open, just
activate.
push price down. Didn't do anything really. Kind of made its way down. If it closes below 1878, then we'll get positions again, right? But it's just, I don't know what else to say. To tell you guys today, aside from the fact that we're waiting for a closure above or below these ranges, and in between is just, we can't do anything. We can't really do anything or say anything about these ranges because it's gonna keep ranging. And the more you talk about price in the range, the more you're gonna keep changing your bias. So it's like, let's wait for the breakout, right? There's not much I can do right now. It's really like, if I wasn't streaming today, I would have came on today at 6:30, marked on my charts, buys above there, subs below there, set a notification for when price taps those levels, and just go on my day. But on stream is a bit different.
You know how many viewers I get talking shit and being toxic, just retracting everything y'all taught? Yeah, but then you'd be like Tin Man, and Tin Man doesn't have that many viewers. And that was his approach.
That's crazy. Don, you set notifications on your broker? Nah, I don't set notifications on my. I set notifications on TradingView sometimes. Like, if I'm not, like, if I know, for instance, like, let's say, like, it depends. Like, it's a weird case scenario where, like, if I expect volume, but I know I'm not gonna be there, I can set like I can put a line here and put, you know, right click, add alert, and boom. Once you cross it, I'll remind myself to come to your charts to look at the closure, right? So let's say there's a line there, it gets tapped off at 8:24, and you have a closure at 8:30. I have 6 minutes to come to your charts and see if we can get a closure below to see if I can get a position. You know what I mean? So that line is just kind of a reminder for me to come back to the charts to tell me that this volume for me to get positions afterwards. That's what it's for. So, but yeah, I don't really like set alerts for. Like, I set alerts for closures, if that makes sense. But not all the time, though. Sometimes. Like, when I know, like, I'm doing something, but I still want to check the charts. But usually I have a lot of free time. I'm always on charts, like, or checking the charts every hour or so to see what's up. I gotta tell you guys the times I check the charts. Like, when I'm not streaming, maybe like 7, 8, the 8 AM candle. What else? I maybe check the 8:30, 8:15. 8:30, 9, 9:30, like every 30-minute candle basically. And then maybe 10, and that's it. And then after that, I don't check charts until maybe like Asian session. So maybe like 7 p.m. and then same thing, you know, these times, but just in basically PM mode. But yeah, I'm checking my 5 maybe every like 15-30 minutes to see if we can get a closure or potential moves. If I don't see potential, then I'm not on the charts. Like last night during Asian, I was on the charts because I just knew there wasn't gonna be anything. I saw price pop up, yeah, but I wasn't interested in buys because I knew you needed a range 2, and I knew that was gonna take until London session, and that took until London session to create.
That's cap. You were on my stream.
Yeah, I was on your stream chatting to you, but I wasn't like on the charts. It was a nice move at 2 AM. Look at that 2 AM count. That was a nice 1 hour closure above.
How fast were you driving when you were chatting?
No, I was in the parking lot.
Oh, pulled over to chat.
Yeah, you know, below to support Wix now. You know, gotta support. People act as if, you know, Wix when you dropping your merch.
It's a good question.
Yeah, when are you dropping your merch?
We'll see.
I need the "What's the Deal" t-shirts. I think people will rock with that.
What's the deal?
Just don't put Chabella on it.
I'm gonna have a "What's the Deal" fitted. Chat, you rock a "What's the Deal" fitted?
You can wear fitteds. Did you get "What's the Deal" Speedo?
I'm thinking about it. I'm really thinking about it.
Ooh, I'm about to dive in. Thing about me is that I don't know if I drop merch, it wouldn't be merch. It would be, you know, cloths. Pieces of cloths. Hey, Alice, lines of text. You click on the line, right click, go on text right here, right? So my bad, let me do it again. I did that a little too fast. Line, right click, settings, text. And then I have templates for buys above here, sells below here. So I just put buys above here, boom, and boom. There you go. There's a line. That's how I do them. And then I draw a box around it too, because that's just what I like to do. Don't ask me why, don't ask me how, but that's just what I like to do. It just looks cool and fulfilling for me. What up, MM? Let me guess. You took 4 positions today. Took 2 sells, break even.
And you have a runner.
And you have buys that were no, you took 2 buys that were break even. You took 1 sell that was 10% profit. Good stuff.
Now you're trying to make back everything you lost on commissions.
FX. Am I wrong a lot of my trust on MT5? No, I do it sometimes, but I don't really like MT5 markups. That's just me though. You know, like sometimes I might have it up like this, but it's.
I always stuck to MT5
Sometimes.
until I started streaming and charting on TradingView is not that just prettier and looks cleaner, but the way you're able to scroll through it just gives you access to more info quicker, like for my eyes to absorb. So I've just been much better at charting once I started using TradingView. I'm seeing things clearer than just on MT5. But every time I take a trade, I'll always refer to my MT5 to make sure the levels are more or less in the right place.
Your MT5?
My MT5.
MT5.
MT. E-M-E-T-Y. MT5.
Hey, gold. You coming down here? Hey, so we got 30 closure here in about 14 seconds here. Can we get a closure with the bottom wick, or will we just, you know, close no bottom wick in the middle of the range and then wait for 9 a.m. candle? Because at this point, oh, you have news too. Unemployment claims right now. I forgot. Oops. Let's see. So unemployment claims, and we are pushing up. We are at 1881.260, 1881.860, 1881.760, 770, 645, 200. Okay, create a top wick. Didn't break the highs just yet. 1883.229 hasn't been broken just yet. Flip bearish and flip back bullish. All right, we are hovering around the same point we were at earlier, a moment ago. Ladies and gents, we are tapping the resistance here. Tapping the resistance, going once, going twice. Can you break the highs? Then no, rejected. You have just rejected the resistance. Now, can price still flip bearish? Because now you are hovering around this resistance here. Haven't closed above, or haven't closed above, closed below. Respecting resistance, didn't break the highs. Can you flip bearish? I would say that if you do flip bearish, you may see a drive coming down here towards 1877. Bad numbers, so that's good for $1. So bad numbers good for $1 equals good for bad for gold, right?
No, bad numbers as in
bad numbers. Okay.
Bad for dollar, good for gold. Technically gold, well, fundamentally gold should go up, but is this the push? Because it's an orange folder. So are we going to skyrocket, or we're going to reflect the fact that it's an orange folder and not as important? Maybe this is the drive, and then.
So bad for $1, good for gold. Okay, so can we break above 1886 is the question now. So there you go. Yeah, news that came out, you know, the direction that news came up with, or numbers that news came up with, and now you just need to wait for a closure above this range here.
The thing is, if news doesn't do it here on initial pump, then I believe there's enough resistance to hold and bring us back down. We keep trying to break here, and then we have a whole bunch of catalysts for us to drive, and they're still unable to break the highs.
I think the 4-hour candle will tell you a lot too. I think the 4-hour candle here will tell you
well, you kind of
once
don't
you
have
close,
a choice but to wait for it here.
Yeah, like once you close here on the 4 hours, tell you a lot.
So here's the thing. So news came out good, bad for the dollar, right? So gold should fly, and you close and you close with no bottom wick, right? on the previous 30. So technically you're saying that we have no more range to go down and the catalyst should drive us up. And after all of that, we still reject it with this top wick. So if we do end up flipping here and coming down to like 1877 levels, 1876.5, there's absolutely zero things telling us, oh wait, we might come back up and retest the high and flip bullish. We just retested the highs and we couldn't drive up with a catalyst. So any breakdown here will give us confirmation that there's bearish momentum and bearish volume to drive down.
Especially if you can break the 4 lows.
That's why you have to wait till we come down to those levels. At the moment, it's indecision time.
I also look at the 1 hour time frame. It's still respecting that support too. So this 4 count could literally flip in 26 minutes. Could come down 26 minutes. I think the best thing to do here, chat, and it's the best feeling ever, is just to wait for 9 a.m.
And the thing is here, because once 9 a.m. comes, you get a 4-hour bearish closure, you get the 1 hour closure, and you're gonna see whether it respects support or whether it breaks below it. And you're gonna get an indication in a small time frame where we can enter fives. But once the 4-hour closes bearish here, our first play is look at the hourly and see if it held support.
Yeah.
It's this 4-hour flip bull, close bullish.
Going back to your back testing. Yep. It's just so many things that come into play today. Like the weekly is bearish, the daily is bullish by respecting resistance. The 4 counts at resistance hasn't closed above or closed bearish yet. 1 hour at support. It's like it's just a lot of noise, and the story is not fulfilled here. The story does not make any sense here. There's chapters that are missing. So without a story, you can't take a trade because you can't tell a story.
It's at a level that it needs to leave from, and hasn't told us which way it's going yet.
I believe we may get a trade today. I just believe it may be at 9:30. I got a dip at like 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. So I got a lot of time. I got some car service thing to do.
Car service?
Anti-theft shit to do, yeah.
Oh, I thought you was doing Uber and shit.
No.
Yo, Don doing Uber in his own 4. That's wild.
Not gonna lie, man. If all goes wrong, if I blow my account, might be my thing, man. Not gonna lie. How old are you, Donvo? I am 22 years old. 22, turning 23 in about April. So I'm getting old, man.
April what?
April 10.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm getting old. Things getting
Damn,
tough
I
out here,
remember
man.
when you couldn't even get a drink.
Bro, I was 18, 19 when I first started. 18 when I was first started turning, or 17, 18, yeah.
Now you're way past the drinking age. Now you're like, damn, this is the time you quit and go to AA meetings already. Damn.
Yeah.
You lived a life, dog.
I lived a day.
You lived the whole life.
How'd you have to make that 140K for deposit? I think I've been training for 4 years, right? So this deposit was made in September or August, something like that. Like, this is like, you know, this is like 4 years. Like this is like my first account ever. This was years of.
This is account number 26.
This is years of growth, years of consistency to get to this account size. Like it wasn't overnight. From this account size to what it is right now too, like that wasn't obviously overnight as well, right? That took months. That took time.
Take a couple of years to go from 20 grand to 100.
Yeah. Took 30 blown accounts. A lot more from where that came from. 750K account, please, bro. I'm poor. Hey, man, I guess send you free value. I don't give handouts though, because I never got a handout.
Why would I give you 10,000 when I could teach you how to make 10,000? You feel me?
You feel me? Yeah, man. Trust me. You're not gonna flip $100 to 100K today. Okay? Today. You're not gonna do that. But you could flip $100 to 100,000 over the next course of years to months. And I don't know how long it's gonna take you, but it's possible. And you may not even flip it. Like flip doing one niche. You may flip $100 to 1,000K having a bunch of other niches, right? So it could be FX, could not be FX. But you'll get there. It won't come today though. It doesn't happen within a day. What are some things that have accelerated your trading journey when you first started trading at 19? I met a guy named Uncle Ted.
I would say streaming accelerated your growth.
Streaming for sure, yeah.
The accountability that comes with streaming, I think definitely accelerates your growth.
Yep. Streaming, like, we've improved so much. Like, I've watched a lot of streamers. Never mind. But yeah, we've improved a lot over the years. Like, if you guys watch our streams from 2020 to what we are now, like, we've evolved a lot. We didn't change a lot. We had the foundation still, but we adjusted bit by bit over time, over the course of the years, adjusted to new things that we learned from last year's and priors. And I feel like that's what you should be doing as a trader, because a lot of traders get too comfortable. They get to a point where they make some bread, get consistency, and they think, that's it. But you don't want to fall off, man. You always want to keep improving, keep getting better. I mean, nothing wrong with being comfortable and being where you are, but I like to just keep evolving, keep improving, keep developing new ideas, because that's how you stay in the game. Like, we wouldn't be here if we didn't evolve from 2020. Trust me. We wouldn't be having the range 1, range 2 fake out. We wouldn't be having this 5-minute stuff. We wouldn't be, these things we wouldn't have if we weren't to develop these things over the years through losses. And that's why we keep a fucking playbook or a stream journal and a single journal, because we can use this journal to our advantage. Checking our stats on each setup, each trade, each time frame, each day, each session, each quarter. Those things help. Gotta be organized. What are some things you wish you could have done that would help you grow faster than you did? Nothing. I enjoyed every bit of my journey, every blown account. Well, looking back, I enjoyed it. At the time, it wasn't too fun. But when you look back, I wouldn't have done anything different, to be honest, because I wouldn't be here if I did something different. Because we never know.
I guess we'll never know.
We won't know, because we can't go back in time and tell. But if you're asking for tips, it's a little different. I say have a playbook, bro. Have a playbook. Have a playbook and focus on your reaction after your trade, after your win, after your loss, and don't just focus on the profits or results, because that does not mean shit. I'm telling you right now, you making profits does not mean anything. You taking losses does not mean anything as well. Those things will change over time with your strategy. But if you focus on the reaction afterwards, you reacting to the win, you reacting to the loss, controlling those emotions and being stable, that will come a much longer way than you winning a trade or losing a trade. But you gotta learn how to control yourself and adjust yourself. Don't get too high, don't get too low. Don't celebrate your wins, don't dwell on your losses. That's it. Stay composed and keep going. another day in the markets, bro. Trust me. I say it every day. But for some reason, it's hard for traders to comprehend when they have a losing day. Like when we lose on a stream, that combo is much harder than when it's a win. So that's why I try to have that combo when we win too, because a lot of traders forget. It's just human nature. You celebrate when you win, you dwell when you lose, right? It's just how it is, it's how it goes. But gotta find a balance. Gotta find a balance, or else you'll lose your balance.
Flipped on the hourly, holding support.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 4 candle could still close bullish or bullshit. And daily could
Bullshit.
break the highs. Yep. 1 hour closes bullish here. I mean, as long as you break above 78, right? Or 86, sorry. Never seen you are taking a trade, buddy. Whoa, buddy. I think yesterday same thing happened. Everyone kept saying, "Hey Don,
First
you
day
talk,
here. Never seen you taking a trade.
You talk too much, Don. You never take a trade. We took a trade yesterday. We took a lot of trades.
Big fucking trade yesterday.
We took a trade on yesterday on stream, on the 27th on stream, 26th on stream, 25th on stream, 23rd, 20, the 19th, the 18th, the 17th, 17th, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, or
He's
9,
also
5,
where you were on
5,
vacation for a week.
12, 23, 21, 15.
Well, you're missing first week of February.
Man. But yeah, we took a lot of trades. You're just a stream hopper, man. I don't know what to tell you. You're a stream hopper. You come from a different stream, so you might not be in the mix, right? I don't blame you. There's plenty of streams out there, but you can't come into a stream like you're late to class and you're just asking these questions, right? You gotta be able to come early, come to a class when things haven't started yet, so you can be in the right page, or else you always be in the mix. Can't be a stream hopper, man.
I am in your stream twice.
Oh,
Well,
only twice.
he's an OG now. Sorry.
Hey man, you gotta keep going. You gotta keep coming. I'm gonna tell you. Like, we have 136 wins, 43 losses, 61 break evens over the last year and a half. Like, you maybe came for 2 days where we, don't trade. But if you're here yesterday, we had one. Today, we haven't had one yet. But let me guess.
You gotta be consistent.
The thing is, like, people
keep showing
come,
up.
they don't see anything, they get impatient. Ah, fuck this guy. This guy's not taking trades. I'm leaving. We leave. He comes back the next day. Hey, where's your trade? It's like, you can't always get a trade off the rip when you first come, especially when you come twice. What are the odds of me being in a trade, actually, right?
Word. Big cruise for mod. Video forever.
Make a moderator at this point. Nah, you gotta keep coming. That's all that is, man. You gotta keep coming. That's all that is. Keep coming, keep leaving a like, and you'll get your trades, man. I'm not guaranteeing no wins. Could be a loss,
to the channel.
but you'll get a trade.
Turn on your notifications so you know when we're on, and you don't have to look for other streams at that time. Just see us,
join our
show
Discord
up,
server.
and then you win with us.
Yo, by the way, chat, thank you for almost I think we almost have 19k members in the Discord server. So if you guys haven't joined Discord yet, go join Discord. We have 18.5k members, and shout out to these members, because these guys hold it down every day in the chat. It's a lit, active community too. It's like always active. Asian, London, New York, something's always going on right now, so like new session right now is probably active.
And if you're wondering why Don doesn't get back to your messages, just look at all those missed messages to the left. You are somewhere.
Nah, that was last night during the London session. This is the last night alone.
Hey, Don, you never reply. Well, yeah. It's physically impossible. Yo,
Physically.
Who's obsessed with her?
Oh, whoever sent that
Immelban.
is in the chat.
Immelban is obsessed with her. He always posting something with her. What's her name?
What's her name again? From Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday, but what's her
Oh yeah,
name? What's her
Jenna
real
Ortega.
name? Yeah. That was it. I ain't got no more comments. That's it. Just he's obsessed with
Smoke weed every day.
her. It's done. It's over with. Gotta roll another one. Yeah, to Trump my lock screen next to the celery play.
Really excited to take notes and learn as well. Yeah, I think that's a good way to. A lot of people join signals just for education, and that's a good way to look at it too. Like people join to see like when I take entries, how I take entries. That's kind of cool. A lot of people do that. They don't really care for signals itself, but that's a good way to learn. Yeah, good way to learn. You kind of see my entries for the day and all that good stuff. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. How can I improve my trading psychology? What is the issue with trading psychology? Trading psychology is a big word, man. Like what about your trading psychology? There's a lot of things that can go into trading psychology. What about it? What I think step one is understanding what exactly it is. You know when you take a loss sometimes and you're like, the market's manipulated me. It's like, what does that fucking mean? You gotta be able to dig deep and figure out what exactly the loss was. What was the issue behind that trade? Not just, the market's manipulated me. I won't take that trade ever again. It's like you placing a band-aid over it. You gotta be able to dig deep and figure out exactly why and how you lost that trade. Same thing in trading psychology. You gotta figure out exactly what your struggles are, not just trading psychology. That can be anything, right? Why doesn't not like big words? Nah, I don't use them. True. Blue egg fund. True. True. When's entry? Once you break above 1886 and once you break below 1878. Moss, US30? Potentially. Can't promise anything. You develop your strategy by yourself. How it works is I grab a piece from here. When I first started trading, I grabbed the piece from here, creep piece from there. And then after that, I say after some time, you kind of just develop things on your own, like the celery, like the fake out, range 1, range 2. These things I noticed through my losses over time, and I find a way to figure out my way around those things, right? Those concepts, and we apply new things like that. So yeah, when you first start trading, you're always gonna get ideas from other people because you gotta build a foundation. But once you build a foundation, you start to go deeper into the strategy, and that's when you start to adjust and fine tune little things, and that's through your own kind of sample sizing and back testing. So yeah, but you're always learning. That's the beauty of it. Wait, bubble. Where's he at? We may have a position very soon. Yeah, maybe. Maybe, man, maybe. You know, Wixon, you know what I'm looking at right now? I'm looking at this.
Surprise me.
I'm looking at this right now. I'm like, what is this?
It's gonna come back down.
I wouldn't be surprised. And that's why I was thinking we may get sells before we hit the buys, but
You
Because
want that big wick?
unless we tapped it here and this is it already, but this, I'm guessing that was that. So we need to get mirror this.
You want that big pullback wick and the drive up to fill the range to the left?
Well,
You're gonna get a 5-minute pullback into the range to grab liquidity on the next 4 hours, regardless, right? Well, the probability, not that you will, but probability wise, it dictates that you should come back into the range and grab liquidity. If this 4 hour leaves a top wick.
you're getting volume here for sure. That's a good thing. Either way, you're getting volume, so I'm grateful for that.
You're getting volume, you're getting a closure outside the range, and you have clean range to fill. So a lot of things that need to happen, right? A lot of your variables already on the board.
A lot of people don't know this, but I take a lot of notes on my phone of screenshots on my MT5 of the charts when I notice certain things. Like for instance, like whenever, usually like things that I tell Wixando is usually on my phone. But I write things down on my notes app a lot regarding like certain things that I notice in the markets, certain way count closes, certain way the price taps a certain range, right? And over time, and it's not just anything too, it's things that I notice over time, things that I notice throughout a lot of sessions that happen frequently. I write things down to note them, and then when it comes to that time, I kind of look back at my notes and say, that's interesting. That's how I kind of keep track of my sample sizing. That's how I kind of do it. It's literally just a notes app. Usually a screenshot, me circling what I'm looking for, and me writing a paragraph on like what it is really. And then I try to look out for those things a lot more. And then once I get comfortable, once I see it happen very often, to a point where I give it a go, the go pass, and then I go ahead and add to my playbook or add to my entries.
Might be looking at 1888.8.
How big are stops? 70, someone says 70 pips. Is it really? Wait,
No,
this 1 hour candle is 90
entry.
pips. Wow.
There's no entry here, even with the closure.
Oh, yeah, it's not at 9 a.m. yet. It's we have 5 minutes left. I forgot.
There's no entry here.
Yeah, you have 5 minutes left for a closure, so you gotta wait for that, chat. 5 minutes for a 4-hour closure. I was like, wait, we close already? So this can close bearish respecting. That'd be great. That'd be cool.
I mean, so look, the 4 hours leaving a top wick here, right? You need to close above, but it is leaving range for us to go up. And then if the next 4 hour can continue with these small 5-minute retracements back into this range, you're going to create a 5-minute zone. And then you're going to fill everything to the left as you start going back above that range. There'll be a higher time frame bottom wick. So you were saying that 440K account was yours? What?
Huh?
That is his.
This is my
It's not
account.
funded.
It's 540.
That's not funded.
This is not funded.
The 440, you're reading that wrong too. 440K is not the account, that's the profit.
Yeah. You're.
It's just profit.
Yeah, no, I'm not. This is not funded. This is Blueberry. Deposit 147.
Refunded.
Refunding commissions for sure. All right, gold. Let's see. Chat, don't look at my balance, bro. Trust me. Like, doesn't mean shit. Trust me.
Completely irrelevant.
Like look at how
irrelevant.
Like when this account was 100K, what was that like? Same shit I'm doing today. Like 100K was what? Maybe like 3 months ago, 4 months ago. This account, I was doing the same thing I did today. That's what I'm trying to say though. Like, it doesn't matter what your account size is at. You do the same thing every day, your account will naturally grow. But when you focus on the balance too much, like I had no goal to make 500K by fucking, what was this, March, February? I never told you guys that. I just told you guys I'm doing the same thing I'm doing tomorrow. After wins, after losses, I always said to myself, I always told you guys that I'm doing the same thing tomorrow. Taking the same trades tomorrow. Yeah, taking the same trades tomorrow, regardless of what I did that day, how much profit, or how much I lost that day, and that was it. But I was never focused on balance. I was never like, tomorrow I'm gonna make 10K. Tomorrow I'm gonna make 5. You know, like that was never the focus. So don't focus on the balance. That would change. You'll get there. Like you'll surpass this balance. Trust me. This balance is nothing. But you focus on the plan. Focus on doing the same thing every day. Stay consistent to your plan. Good things will happen naturally, and you don't gotta worry. But you have a minute for a closure, so let me shut up, because if I don't shut up, people are gonna tell me that I talk too much. You know, I don't trade enough. So, but yeah, chat. Looks like the stop loss, if we do close here, is gonna be around. How big is this range going up? Like, what's the target here? Target is going to be. I had 19 on 3, but it's gonna be a lot lower than that. I'm looking at maybe 1993, 1800, 1900.
You're looking at like 930 here.
930. Oh no, it's for time. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, you need that bottom range. Yeah. Yeah. What day was this? 23rd, January 12th, 2023. What happened there? 8:30. 9. Oh, that was news. Makes sense. Yep. So, like, look, cool. We broke above the range. The 4 count's closing above here in 6 seconds. So that's great. I believe you just need to create a bottom wick here for the 4-hour candle. So if this 4-hour candle come down, create a bottom wick at like 1886, 1881, and then close back above. So what that means basically is this. So look, this is the 4-hour time frame. You have close above this resistance like this. So therefore that indicates that we are breaking above resistance. That's cool. 4-hour check. Where's your next target in a 4-hour time frame? Look left. You're looking at this box to the left hand side. Where is that? 1899, because you have clean traffic to that area there. So that's your next target. However, for entries, you need a bottom wick. So look left. Where did price create the bottom wick when it closed above this range in the past, or kind of when it came up in the past in this area? You're looking left, you're looking anywhere in this box here, in between 1887 to 1800. Why? Because looking left, that's where price kind of tapped into before it drove up last time. So that's what I'm expecting here again today. 1880, 1884. Once you tap those levels and create the bottom wick in those areas, perfect. What's going to happen is, since the 5-minute closure is above here, you're going to see price likely kind of come back down here and kind of do something like this, where it comes down, creates support, right? Something like this would be preferred. And then once you close bullish at support, confirming support, I'll take my buys. Where? I'll take my buys once you close above this resistance, because that's your new resistance. This is your support. That's your resistance. So once you close above the range like this, you can get your buys going up, and then take your buys towards the 1900 mark. That's if this happens, right? And if this doesn't happen, then we're not getting in. And that's how simple trading is. So we want this to happen. If this doesn't form the exact way I drew it out, I'm not getting in buys, right? Because I can't. I need to wait for the bottom wick in that zone first. It can just drive up from here, cool. It can drive up 100 pips from here, but it's not my trade to take. I'm only taking this trade if you get that support formed, 1884. Why? Because that's where the bottom wick was formed last time in the 4-hour time frame, or support was formed. So that's what I'm looking at. If you guys want to take buys and it's your plan, take it. Always follow your plan. Fuck my plan. I'm just taking my plan. But if you have your own plan, take your plan. Don't get discouraged or anything by my plan. I just have a different plan. But you want to be taking your own trades, right? So it could come, like Wickstein said, 9:30, 9:15. Who knows? But all I know is that until that forms, I'm not getting any positions. I don't care. I don't care for any positions. You can drive with 1,000 pips, no FOMO. It's not our position to take. So why would you FOMO on something that's not yours in the first place? But yeah. Even if I want to though, stop loss is like 100 pips. So I can't. I cannot. Maybe 60, but still. Ugh. A little tough. Low tough. But yeah, you're looking at like maybe again 9:30, 9:15. It could come a little earlier or it could come a little later, but I think cutoff time for me today is maybe 10. I gotta leave at like 10:30 max. So 10 a.m. I'll be off the stream. I'll be here for another hour waiting for this thing to form. Again, 1884, 1885, right? That's what you got, Wix? Maybe even 1880.
Same exact breakdown, same level.
The Wix is yawning. This thing is boring to him now. Yeah. If it flips and drives, fuck it. It flips and drives, man. It is what it is, yeah. One on 1885. Oh, anywhere in that zone. Like realistically, looking left, it can tap anywhere between 1885 to 1880. But it's not like a must. It's not like it must tap. Like it needs to tap it. It's more so of like if it taps it, I will be comfortable getting buys. You know what I mean? Like you see the way I'm forming that sentence. If price were to tap this, I will do this. That's how an algo works. Algo doesn't react on emotions. Algo acts on whatever the guy coded in, right? So same thing with us. Like if price were to do this, I will do this.
Parameters.
There you go. It has parameters set and the algo just follows those parameters just like us as humans. If price were to come down towards 1880, I will take buys above 1890, right? But it's not like me saying price will come down to 1880 before it goes up to 1900. You see a difference? There's a huge difference in those two sentences.
No, peak viewers, huh?
I don't think so. Nah, 2.1K? No, peak like 2.4.
Yeah?
Yeah, peak was 2.4.
You guys are slacking. Drop some likes. Up to I haven't even liked the
But thank you,
stream, my
chat, yo.
bad.
I appreciate you being here today. If you guys gain any type of value from today's stream, either it's with me seeing me wait for a closure, or whatever it is, patience, you know, just anything today from the stream, leave a like. Yo, look at my Apple Watch cover. Do you see who this is?
Nope. Nope. Bro, stop moving your hand. Yo, fuck them M3 bumpers. You need to get a fucking better camera. I don't see it. It looks like the girl from Frozen. It looks like Anna or Elsa.
Bruh. It's Snoop Dogg with the big ears. Nah. The more I look at Snoop Dogg, the more I see Wix9. When you go live? Right now, I'm live.
Right near.
I go live every day at 6:30. Hoping the roads aren't slippery today. Not gonna lie, never drove in the rain before. Yeah, I'll be fine with rear wheel drive in the rain, right?
That's a Beamer. You'll be fine.
Cool.
You'll be okay.
I'm gonna turn
Oh,
off
it's
traction
Thursday.
control
I
and see
thought it
what's
was Wednesday.
updated though.
Word. Do that. Off every gas and brake, right off every light. Gas and brake, every light.
I'm gonna work on my oversteer.
Well, while Don's gonna be in his M4 chat, shameless Asian session plug on the way. We're gonna be in our Asian session live stream, right? 8 p.m. Eastern. Join us. It's our last live stream of the week before we call it a weekend.
It's been a good week too.
It's been a great week.
You have no losses this week, right?
No, I haven't. We haven't had a loss in I think in like 2 weeks.
Damn, where'd you
Because
find that?
we were doing New York and Asian, right? So
Yeah.
we had nice W's both sessions. Well, throughout the week, not yesterday. Yesterday ranged like a bitch.
Forgot to put that yesterday. The dates. 9:30. So you can on the 1887. You didn't really. Here's the thing, chat. It
Show me
may
your last
not
trade.
create support at 1880. It can create support here. This could be it. Who knows? But all I know now is that there's a resistance here at 1889. That's all I know. Right? There's now a resistance here at 1889 because you kind of closed bearish there just now. So you can start putting the info in. Like, okay, resistance is being created here. So if you can break above 1889 sometime, then cool. Above there would be great for buys. You just need a range to form, right? And that's what it is right now. That's what's happening.
You have a resistance, now you get a support. You get a resistance and a support, that's a range.
Can you show me your last trade? The last trade was on stream yesterday. It was all broken down yesterday on stream. It was this one right here. This one right here. You want me to explain it real quick? I can, because it's very straightforward. All that was
Flip of the 4-hour, 45 pip TP. Boom. Explained.
all that was going to 4-hour. All that was this. I drew this out. Two lines in my two boxes on my screen yesterday. I drew this out, and then I drew this out, and then we caught this push down. Same thing happened here. It came down, and that's it. That was our analysis yesterday. 1 hour closed. 1 hour broke the highs, flipped bearish, and we executed off the sells as we flipped bearish after breaking the highs, respecting this resistance, and that was it. Came down to fill this zone. That's it. Caught that piece in the middle. That was it. No indicators, nothing. Just two green boxes on the screen, and that was all she wrote. Can you ask me how you got the 4 wick again? You talking about right now? Like the right now's candle? Or are you talking about yes's candle? Like, I'm not sure. What are you talking about? Hey, which one are you talking about? Today's or yesterday's? Today's? You talking about this, the current topic though? Like what we're creating right now for the bottom wick? Well, I'm looking at this, right? I'm looking at just levels we kind of came down a tap. A support level, like minor support levels. And that happens to be right there, yeah. Right here at 1880. This level going across. Right? You see that? You see where we're kind of rejecting off of? So that's what I'm kind of expecting for us to do before it makes its way up. Before I look for buys going up, right?
Also, look at this candle. Once it broke this level and closed above, the next candle came down and grabbed liquidity. Look at that big red wick over there, all the way right at this area. So if we do that, grab liquidity here, start coming up, you can anticipate the move to fill the range all the way up.
Right there. Let me just take it out. Put it back on the screen. I don't think they saw it.
What you talking about?
Unless they did, I don't know. I couldn't see it. I was trying to clear my drawing so you can draw on it.
No, it's all right. I deleted it. Go to the 5.
Yeah.
This range here to the top from 1886.5. Where is it? Right here in this area to here. The top is 20 something pips, right? Maybe 30 pips. This is a 30 pip range. And if we close below this area, right, we're going to look for a fake out or for an indication of a fake out. Because if we start coming back above here, it's clean to retest the highs, right?
Oh, above. Yeah. But you're in your bottom wick.
And we can anticipate this being the bottom wick for the hourly candle and for the next 4 hour. But you'll need to see a closure back up in this range, and then you can take the position to the top here. And if it is the bottom wick, you'll drive. If it wasn't, it'll top out here, and then you'll get another rejection and start coming back in range. Color. But it's right. Gold's very technical in that sense that it fills ranges and retests highs and lows. Very, very technical pair. So if you get a fake out and closure back in range, it'll retest the high. Maybe not completely, but the overall idea is there. And now you had a 15 close with no bottom wick.
My work review. Any opinions? We're gonna do reviews here, brother, but thank you for the 40 not sure what that is. 40
rupees. That's a rupee.
40 rupees. Thank you. Once upon a time, Wix was traveling in a helicopter via Switzerland, and his wallet fell down. The place is now called Swiss Bank. Down, Wix. That's how you feeling?
L O L. O L.
You get that? Man, should I take the buy now? Okay, here's the thing, man. We just spent 16 minutes since 9 a.m. breaking down gold and what we're looking for buys, and you have the audacity to ask buy or sell now.
How about
man? Come on, man. We just spent 16 minutes talking about this.
You are the weakest link. Goodbye.
Hey, man. You need to get yourself a pair of headsets, because no way. I know I talk a lot, but this is why I talk a lot, because people don't listen to me. That's why we talk a lot. But you need to get a pair of headsets, bruh. Put these on and listen to the streams. Take some notes, because we just spent 16 minutes doing this.
Matter of fact, get 3 headsets.
Hey.
Just in case. You could stack them like positions.
Hey, man. It's crazy out here. First I talk too much, then it's just like, yeah, it just goes out the window, you know what I mean? Or we talk too much. Hey, it's all fun and games,
I
chat.
was wearing the Burger King headset. That's the lady at the drive-thru headset.
No, you have the lady at the drive-thru headset. You be like this. Hold on. Where's my antenna?
Hello, where's his? I got the guy at the drive-thru here. Where's his order, guys? Come on, where's his order?
You be like this. Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you?
Get him.
Window number 2, please.
Can I speak to the manager?
Hey, sir, would you please drive to the parking slot number 1, please? Your order might take a little longer to get prepared. Thank you.
Block and trap.
That's how they be.
Word. I take 2 number 9s, a number 45 large, one with extra cheese, and a large soda.
Hey man, but no, for real though, man. Just try to pay a little more attention, because we try to help, but you gotta be able to accept the help, not just buy or sell above here, Yo, Rick, do you have a course? Rickson does have a course.
Yo,
Rickson's course talks about
DMs
funding on
are flooded with where can I find your course?
Rickson's course chat. Hit up Rickson if you want information about funded accounts. He got you guys. He got you.
Hey, if you find my course, consider yourself lucky.
I almost fell from my chair. Consider yourself lucky. For real. Sell until 1880? Alright, man. This is definitely a troll, Definitely a troll. Definitely a troll. Don't rush the process. Trust it. Is that my video? Or that's that sound, right? That's a dope video.
Trust.
Great things
Take time.
Don't rush the process.
Trust it.
Great
Things take time.
Don't rush the
Don't rush the process. Trust it. Great things take time.
This is wild.
Just how hey chat.
This is how you guys come back to your charts after
That's fucking wild right there.
You never seen this?
Like, I've seen this shit happen in real life.
You have raccoons in Miami? I don't think so, no?
No, but I've seen plenty of raccoons in PA and Jersey. And we have enough raccoons in New York too. When I was living there.
In Toronto, bro, you look up the bushes, they're staring at you with the eyes lit up like.
You got a 5 closure here, but you might want to
Yeah,
wait
you do.
for a higher time frame here.
You do.
Everything else is still bearish, right?
The thing is, like, it's closing bullish here. I'd rather take buys above 89, but if the wick comes down all the way to like 1884, 83, and comes back up, I'll take the onion there to fake out there.
Well, unless you could range at this level 2 and end up closing bullish on a 30 or
Yeah.
a 1, it could take a while. We're in Jersey, where you plenty of places. I used to live in Brooklyn, so I used to
No,
go to Jersey
Wick
all
sounds
the
from
time.
Canarsie.
It's not too far from Canarsie though, but I used to live over there northeast, so I used to go out to the Poconos all the time. Used to go to Marlboro, Manalapan. We used to go to Jersey.
Yo, calm effect. You need to calm down.
It's too ratchet.
Calm down. There's no trades I know. You know who's in Jersey now? My boy Loopy. But he lives in Jersey near Philly.
Loopy leaks.
Yeah, he
Well,
lives
all
in
the
like
jerseys near Philly.
Jersey.
The Northeast is like so tightly like packed. Like it's not too far to go from from Brooklyn to Philly, an hour and a half.
Do you, Roger Banks? Yes, I do. You, Roger Banks. What kind of question is that, bro? Do you, Roger Banks? Yo, at least finish the
No,
sentence,
maybe he
bro.
meant, do you?
Do
It
you,
depends.
Roger Banks?
I don't think it's a question. I think it's a statement.
Ah, word.
I think he's telling you to do you.
Do
He's
you?
just I think he's mistyping. Maybe he was in a different stream. Many stream hoppers.
Oh, do you know? Of course I know Roger Banks. Everyone knows that guy. Hey man, if you ain't been flamed by Roger Banks once in your lifetime, bro, you're not a real one, man. What can I say?
Roger is all right.
Did Roger flame you? Yeah, always. He try to flame us on Thursday stream. But it's
He's
okay.
flaming.
We finessed them. We got a lot of money out of his donations. Hey man, do English vocabulary course too. My English vocabulary forest course consists of will. No, what does it consist of again? It consists of the words if,
Closure.
closure. Yeah, the word if. That's a key word. And we're getting rid of the words believe, think, guess. Hey man. So step 1 is done here, chat. Step 1 is done in terms of bottom wicks here. We got the bottom wicks here. Obviously you didn't really close above yet, but you got the bottom wicks. That's step 1. That's done. Check. You need a closure above now. So if we can come up back above 1889, get a closure above, then cool. We can get buys going up. All right. But I'm really going to need a closure above 1889 to get more buys here for the New York session today. Okay. And this will be the first buy I'm taking since maybe February 1st. So we've been taking stalls all month basically. What if you close above below 89, 86, and then you drop down? But you drop down towards 1881, but I am in no position to take sells below there. I'm only taking sells below 1878 today. I'm not touching sells below 1886 because at any given point, what can price do? Drive up. With that being a range 1 breakout, so better sells to be below 1878 because that's your range 2 breakout, and that's also the breakout of 4 lows. Right, the 4 is still bullish, can flip at any given point after creating a bottom wick, which is aka your range 1 breakout on the smaller time frame.
One entry. Just said one entry. But one entry.
He definitely taking that trade. What do you mean? We took a trade on stream yesterday. Yeah. Came out around the same time though, 9:30ish. What do you mean? We took every trade, but we kind of on stream never call out. You know? Yeah, man. I think one thing you learn the most when you start streaming, I think Wixton deals with this too, though. You already know when you get not, I don't want to say peer pressured, but chat just they talk you into taking a trade.
Talk me into taking a trade?
Well,
No,
they don't
could
talk you into taking a trade. They kind of like they try to talk you into taking a trade. Like you don't actually like take a trade with them, but they kind of talk you. They try to talk you into taking a trade.
It's a lot of noise.
It's noise,
just-
exactly.
It gets really noisy.
Marcos?
You already took the kids to school? No, I taught them how to drive. Now they take themselves.
Marcos, what do you mean? Marcos right here. This is Marcos. I leak his number? Nope. Yeah, this is Marcos.
Yeah.
I let you talk to
Can
the
I
guy.
leak his number? Is that what you just said?
Nah, it's his contact number. I'm like, did I leak his number? No, I'm good. Yeah.
You did.
Did he stop trading? Not quite. Not quite. But he's doing his own thing. He's doing his thing, 21. Do your thing. He didn't stop trading though. He's still doing his thing. Are you from Singapore? No, sir. I'm from Toronto, Canada. Taken. Everyone's from. A lot of people are from. A lot of forex traders out there are from Toronto or Miami.
Marcos was substitute host. You know what? I was here before Marcos.
Yeah, Wixon was here before Marcos. Way before Marcos. And he's still here.
Still fucking here. Like, you gonna walk around with me forever like herpes. That's it. Stuck with me.
I'm gonna get some water. Time's at 9:30. Hold on, wait. Do you have a closure?
Got me with you
Real
like
quick.
I'm luggage. All right, chat. You know the deal. Spam dubs as he comes back. And then everyone tell him he missed the trade. No, wait, David. You gotta wait till he comes back. When he sits down, just spam dubs and start saying that was a great trade we all just took. He missed it. Shouldn't have went to the bathroom. Oh, shit. This is how I know you guys are terrible at directions. I said, wait till he comes back. Everyone's spamming W's. Like, be like, no, fuck that. I want my W's now. W. You need 15 minutes? Yeah, he going to Tim Hortons.
Oh my god. Oh no. I missed the move. I heard you, bro. I heard you. I heard you. Oh my god. I just missed the move. 1,500 pips. That's more than what we called last year on stream.
Who told them? Which one of you motherfuckers told them about our little surprise? There's 2,100
God.
people here that
missed
could have
the move.
spilled the beans. Which one of yous told them? And you guys can't keep a secret for shit. Not inviting none of y'all to his surprise birthday party.
Heard you from across the room.
Oh, wait, it was me. My bad. You guys are all uninvited from the birthday party.
But the good thing is you got a bottom wick. You got a stupid bottom wick here. Nice. 85 got tapped, right? 84. This is now it's time. Now if we close above, I'll be in there like swimwear. In there like swimwear. Nice. 84 on a dot, huh? Nice. Who took buys at 89? Hey, they're not gonna tell you now because they're in drawdown. But if it were to play out, half the
Ain't
chat
gonna lie, but
would
I
have been like,
buys.
ain't gonna lie, but I just entered buys here. But now that's in drawdown, and people who didn't, who had FOMO, they're like silent, not gonna speak on it, irrelevant, didn't happen, short memory. It's cool.
Not gonna lie.
Be honest
but
though,
I'm
chat. Be
in
honest, because
since
when you're honest,
1884.
when you're honest, you're transparent, and when you're transparent, you it's better for you.
I mean, yeah,
Shit.
you're accountable. When you're accountable, you try to do what the right thing is.
Yeah, like what if I just took a trade on my broker here and I deleted it on my broker? Eh? I can't though, it's not my broker. But let's say I did that. That's what you guys are doing basically. Update
age is
trades
Wix?
taken. Hold on.
Stone Age.
What trades taken? There's no trades taken today.
Yeah, but he took a trade. You better update trades taken. They taking trades.
What
over
trade did
here.
we take? We haven't taken a
we
trade
need
since yesterday's New York session stream.
We need a record for chat. Trade record for chat.
No, they'll be undefeated. Never lost.
Should be our record versus chat record.
If it broke down, how far do you think it'll go? Well, that's the thing. If you go back to the back testing, go back to the go back to like 9 a.m. today. We broke down how the forward count has room to go down here for about a wick, right? And I said how I'll only take buys above 1890 if you come down towards 1880 or 1883 first, anywhere in that zone there. Because looking left, you're looking at these levels here. So now that we have this, we can only take buys if you break above 1880. So going back to our back testing, right? You only get buys above 1880 now, above 1889.716. Above there will be clean going up to go up towards 9213. But you're gonna need a closure above there first to get those buys. So it's not a matter of like how far down it'll go. It's a matter of if we close back above the range, then we get buys. Not when it closes back above the range. You know what I mean? It's if it closes back above the range, we get buys. And if it closes below 1878, we'll get sells. But yeah.
Damn. So hold on. The Nets got rid of KD.
Wait, what?
The Nets got rid of KD.
Where'd he go?
To this what? So they got rid of Harden and then Irving and now they might as well move back to Jersey.
Phoenix Suns?
The Nets might as well move back to Jersey and become irrelevant again. Hold on, what happened to the Derry, Marcos Booker? Where's Marcos Booker? He's still there? Oh,
Devin, yo, that's a super, CP3. If he does not get past, what is
no,
it?
it's
First
Marcos
rank.
Booker. It's Marcos Booker. It's not Devin. It's Derry.
Damn, I didn't know that. That's kind of 80 to the Suns. Damn.
Damn.
Devin Booker, DeAndre Ayton, Chris Paul, KD.
Hold on, who went to the Nets? Who did they give up KD for? Like the only person I'm giving up KD for is maybe LeBron. What?
LeBron punching the air right now. Like, man.
Stuck here in this.
I'm stuck here in LA. Come to Toronto, LeBron. You love Toronto for 1 year.
Oh, look, I'm watching Stephen A. Stephen A. is funny as hell. Suns trade for Kevin Durant. What the Nets better get like the next 15 years of first round picks. Jay Crowder, Cam Johnson, Mika Bridges, 4 unprotected first round picks, 2028 pick swap. That's nothing. They got nothing for Durant. They just let him go for free. I'm telling you, Brooklyn needs to move back to fucking Jersey. Get themselves a Sean Bradley. And be irrelevant for the next 20 years.
LeBron going to Raptors. Never gonna happen.
Never gonna happen.
I can imagine LeBron going to I'm not gonna lie, I can
Not
imagine
come
LeBron
back
going
to
back to
Miami,
Cleveland, to be honest, or
Oh.
Miami. Like, I wouldn't be surprised.
I can see him going to Cleveland again to
Yeah.
finish out there.
Yeah.
But he said, "Hey, my like my last year in the league is gonna be with my son."
Wherever he goes. Imagine he's in
So-
Toronto.
So he said, like, he's basically saying whoever drafts Bronny is gonna get a year from me. Yeah. So anyone.
The Raptors better start tanking.
But it's only a year, and then you got mad shit that comes off. the
Well, we
books.
had a year Kawhi, and that's all we needed. We had half semester of Kawhi, actually. Not even a full semester.
Yeah,
year.
but I'd rather build a dynasty than just get a one and done.
Mm.
The goal is to build a dynasty. I'm trying to celebrate for years, not get a celebration and be like, all right, see you later. That was fun. Because the celebration is really about like, yeah, we taking this next year. This is ours. We got a year of bragging. But then if he leaves right away, then it's like, damn, win. Oh no, we suck again. Yeah, Bronny doesn't really matter. I don't think he's going to be massive in the league. It's the name. It's the name.
I left Wix's stream because I came back. I was Wix on his bullshit. Came back 1 hour later, and first thing I hear is Wix playing with the Nets. I'm done. Bye. Don here, great, but Wix, I'm done.
Hey. Goodbye. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Wix, man, what are you doing, man? Y'all was, getting rid of people in our chat.
No. I'm very polarizing, right? You either love me or hate me, but the ones that love me, they're loyal, legit. They're riders. The ones that hate me, you know what? They're also very, very consistent. They show up consistently to hate. You see, he came back. He was like, damn, I can't stand Wix. And then after an hour, he was like, yeah, but let me see what Wix talking about.
People usually don't like Wix at first.
Damn, I still can't stand him.
Trust me, people don't like Wix at first, but once you like Wix, you're locked into the stream, man.
Mixed feelings. It's all right. I'm an acquired taste. Quite often it's so annoying. It has to be annoying, right? The goal is for me to be so repetitive that it becomes annoying. That means you're learning and picking stuff up. If I'm not repetitive or annoying, you won't remember it, right? You remember the annoyance. You trade and you're like, fuck, I remember that. Wix was saying all this shit. And that's how I know you're learning and listening and picking stuff up. Because what I say starts getting annoying and repetitive.
Can you get a closure below the range? 1878. The 5-minute candle is flipping bearish. Can you get closure below 1878? What are you waiting for now, Donvo? I'm waiting for the same thing I've been waiting for since 6:30 a.m. this morning. I drew out 2 things this morning. Right? 2 things, chat. I drew out buys above 1889 or above 1886, and then sells below 1881 or 1878. The buys obviously didn't form it the way I wanted yet, never closed above 89, and the sells hasn't formed yet below 1878. So therefore, I'm in the same moment this morning. Still waiting for a closure. But the good thing is that you got a breakout, and no matter what direction of the breakout, again, what does that mean, chat? It means volume. So you have volume coming into the markets now. It's your time to shine. So we can get a position within the next 15 minutes. If you get a closure below 78 or above 89, who knows? But all I know is that I'm waiting for a closure, and I'm here until 10:30, and then I'm calling it a day if I get nothing by 10:30, because it's too late for me at that point. But trading is very simple. Once you develop a plan, and that's all we did today. You saw me develop my plan this morning, and you saw me wait for my plan this morning. If I don't get my plan, then I'm not getting in any positions, right? But we haven't had a position since yesterday's New York session. It's been 24 hours with no position, and I'm completely fine. No FOMO, nothing. Because why would you want to FOMO? It's a waste of time. You're coming back the next day anyways. Wasting your time, FOMO. How could you? Who does that? Who wasted their time FOMOing? Useless. Waste of time.
You guys are discussing the wrong shit. They're discussing, instead of listening to you, they're discussing Wix being a nuisance. You guys are really concentrating on the wrong shit. It don't matter what I do. I'm gonna do what I do, right? I'm a net positive, yo. Like, I'm a net positive. I can't have no negativity. You know, you want to be negative? Get the fuck out of here. It's just straight cheese. There's nothing. It's a net positive. I bring in more than I lose, right? And if you feel like you don't need to be here, I mean, the red carpet is that way wherever you need to be. But you know, the fact that you are gonna be negative, like, just
Trust me, bro. I wouldn't bring Wix into the streams if, you know, I didn't fuck with Wix. He's been here for 3 years. This stream has grown with Wix here for 3 years.
Just don't be yeah, you're here for Dom, but you're over here being negative in the chat instead of listening. Yo, stop being for that negativity. That shit is contagious, dog. And then it starts getting like you're being, whatever you don't like about me, the fact that you're speaking on it is a lot worse than you just, you know, or than just me being here, right? You're bringing massive negativity for what, man? Just help yourself. You're here not to talk shit about somebody else or say what you like, don't like. Nobody gives a shit. Truly, we're going to run the stream the way we run the stream. And it's been growing because it's bringing value, right? So regardless of what you think, we're going to do our thing, right? You're just the noise here. So why be the noise? Yo, help yourself, get better, right? There's value here, learn from it, and that's it. Go apply it in your everyday life. Guess what, right? My account's still gonna be the same. My account's not dropped whether you're here or not. I'm gonna keep doing the same thing. I'm gonna keep growing my account. I'm gonna keep getting better and keep growing every day. So I wish you the same. I wish you keep showing up though, and don't concentrate on how annoying I am, but concentrate on helping yourself. If you want to be negative, then get the fuck out of here, man. Nobody wants negativity. It's
a free
contagious.
stream. It's free. There should be no one complaining. In what way, shape, or form?
I'm not here. You guys are irritated. You guys should be. I like seeing people succeed, right? I love educating. I love sharing what I know. And I say this all the time. There's never going to be a U-Haul behind my hearse, right? I'm not going to be able to take everything I know with me. So I'm going to put it all out there. You like it or not? There's no feelings here, right? No one's catching feelings, just value.
Chat must have never smoked before. Hey, man. I
love all of you. Yo, even honestly, there's been so many haters.
says it all the time too. Every time he answers stream, he always says these two things. Thanks for coming by, even the haters. I hear it every day.
I love it. I love that because, you know, there's been so many times where I get DMs and message, hey man, I didn't really fuck with you when I saw you, but I love what you're doing, or like all this shit. Like, yeah, I get a lot of haters, former haters that now become supporters, or at some point, you know, we're hating or we're trolling, and now they're fans or they're supporters, or they show up to the streams and they enjoy the value. So That's the goal. If you can come and we can change your opinion on something, damn, we've done a massive job then, right? If you're already like somewhere where we are and you fuck with us and you just want to get better and grow, great. But if we can change your mindset and opinion and just put you on in the right direction, then it's even better, right? It's just, it shows value.
What's the deal?
Karen, I was really fucking with your colors before that hoodie.
What was that? Oh, the blue?
Is that blue? Mine's green and it looks the same as yours.
The teal, I guess, yeah, that's more green. Maybe I'm colorblind.
Fulcrum. Yeah.
Come in. Yeah. Yo,
The
gang.
gang.
You feel
Mhm.
me? Wagwan.
Boy, I say, troll of the year.
Man.
Well, you guys that want Wix, enjoy what you have now.
Now you know what it is, man.
Enjoy calm.
You know what it
I'm
is.
out.
The streams are so good. It's like that seafood spot I had in fucking Turks and Caicos. The food was so good, but the service is so annoying and bad. It's like our stream. Our stream is so annoying, but you keep coming back because the trades are just so good. It's just too good. You gotta keep coming back. That's how it is. That's
Yo,
how it
Don.
goes.
Look what came in the mail. A little paperweight action.
Bro, get these wizard buttons. You're about to get deleted off stream.
I'm gonna accidentally
That's
pop 100
fire.
bucks.
Yeah, that's fire. That is fire. That is neat. Hey, you got 5 minutes for a closure here.
Don't you ever come here with no
I'm kidding, I'm
no
kidding, I'm kidding.
disrespect like that.
How much he pay you for that, bro?
Bro, how much you
How
got?
much he pay you for
Bro,
that just
take-
now?
Bro took all my commissions, bruh.
Bro,
No, how much did he pay you for this plug?
Who paid me? I don't know who you're talking about. That one guy?
How much did the other guy pay you for this plug?
I'm about to hop on his stream. If you guys want the link, let me know.
Oh, shit.
Hey guys,
If you don't,
you know how you know how you stay patient, right? Like and wait for these candle
oh
closures.
shit! This one fell from the sky just now too. Jeez, yo. Jeez.
Hey chat, you know how you stay patient and you wait for these these candle closures.
Bro,
Hey man, you.
You guys gotta practice like just being stoic, right? Wix?
you know, about to
They got me too, chat.
I'm about to beat
The
you with these
Illuminati
wizard
got me.
buttons, dog. About to beat you with these wizard buttons.
Yo, Kieran, what's up, man?
chilling, man. How you
See,
doing?
Kieran came in nice, calm, collective. You know.
Kieran got all the arguing out the way early in the morning.
Yeah, I did.
So are we buying or selling, boys?
Both full margin.
Man, it's raining so hard outside.
Calm is
Yeah,
like
it's gross.
Calm is the chat ombudsman. He's literally repping the chat right now. Chad, that's your representative. Is that who you chose to represent you on stream?
Hey man, say man.
Man, oh man. Gold, gold, gold. We have a 1 hour closure in 7 minutes here, guys. So, hey. I'll wait for 7 minutes here, but if I'm telling you guys, if you close in the range here, we're likely gonna be done. Maybe. I said it yesterday. Remember I said yesterday? I'm like, yesterday, chat. I'm like, yeah, chat, I'm not gonna lie. I might call it a day here. Then it started coming down. And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna stay for 5 more minutes. 5 minutes later, you gotta trade because the thing closed in the range. So that's a lot of time. How did you grow enough capital to deposit enough into your live account at 22 years old? No,
Reseller.
I know people.
I know a guy. I know,
I know
a
a
guy,
guy.
who knows a guy.
He didn't deposit 100 racks, right? He made 100 racks.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, 22 years old, bro. I've been trading since I was 18, 19. You know, I've been full time. And by the way, when I first went full time, it was in maybe 2019 October. Remember, full time for me was a little different back then because I was a student. Didn't have a full time job. I was 19. I was making maybe a year working part time, 25, 30K a year, right? So I thought I needed to go full time. So, but yeah, from there things just kind of popped off over the years. But yeah, I didn't just deposit 100K at 22. Like I gradually grew my account since I was 19. Withdrew, balance, repeat, rinse, and repeat since then. So yeah, you know, overtrade, over leveraging, you know the vibes. Hidden, don't do that. Can you explain the 26K profit trade? Yes, that was actually a signal called in signal channel on NFP day at around approximately 9. Nope, it was around 8 or 9. I think 8:55 or 9 a.m. 9:15, 9:30, something like that. Yeah, pretty straightforward. It was just a sell we took right around here. Off the fact that we closed on the 1 hour time frame, we had a wick to fill, and that was it. That's all we took. I think that was in the signal channel, right? I believe it was. Yeah, right here on Friday. 9:19, sell go down. Boom, boom, boom. TP smacked at 10 a.m. for 95 pips. And then we had the next day, 8 pips. And then the day after that, which is yesterday, 34 pips. So we've been a little one. A little hot streak. Not really though. Just like a 4 or 5, just a 5 or something. Nothing too crazy. Can you explain yes to sell? I already did explain that. It was off the 4 hour time frame. All I did was draw a line here. I drew a box right here, and then I drew a box right here, and I drew this was gonna get mirrored, and that got mirrored, and that was it. That was the entire trade. It was
Bro, once a one-on-one session.
Who said that?
Success in progress.
One-on-one session. I have a lot of questions about trading. Honestly, bro, come to the streams, man. Come to the streams, ask your questions here. You don't need no one-on-one session. They're free. Feel free to come here and ask questions, and you'll get your questions answered in no time. If you keep coming by every day, you don't need to pay no 10K for one-on-one for 1 hour. You know. How much do they charge for that stuff nowadays? Like 10K, 5K for like a 1 hour session? Like that is
No, but
crazy.
you can't really do a 1 hour session. So if I was doing it,
You can hit my DM for one band for one-on-one.
it'll be 50 grand for a week worth.
Like, how much do they charge realistically nowadays for one-on-ones? Like
Yeah, my homie charges like 500 per session to 1,000
for what hour?
for 1 hour. Yeah, like 250 to 500.
You're not learning anything.
To
in
what?
That time.
Ask
So you
how
gotta,
to draw a spawn resistance? How to fucking what's your magic indicator tool?
It's you wouldn't believe it, bro. It's mainly just to like talk to them about their issues. Like you're their therapist. It's weird, bro. They don't even really care about that SNR stuff.
What we can do on
They just
stream
wanna
though? That's the
vent.
thing.
I don't know, bro.
The thing is, like, it's on stream. It's like, hey man, I don't know, but I gotta start doing that too. So chat, hey, whoever wants.
Forex therapist, hit my DMs. $500 an hour.
there's got to be a real plan behind the one-on-one sessions, right? So you got to get to some kind of result, right? So you're not getting no result in a single session. So there's got to be a plan, maybe like a PowerPoint type thing, and that can only be done over months and weeks. Looking at the charts themselves, I'd probably charge 50 racks for a 1 month course.
I think you come to this stream, bro. You don't gotta pay for anything else in your ever in trading your life ever again. If you come to this stream every day for 6 years straight, you don't gotta pay for it anything ever again in your life. Maybe your own fun and challenges, whatever. Cool, that's on you. Right? But overall, like education wise, you don't gotta pay a single dime if you come to this stream every day. Like,
He's right, bro.
Just come every day, because you literally see how we work, how we like what we wait for, how we wait, like our emotions, live emotions, everything. You see everything from getting into a trade to exiting a trade. You
get
got
the
paper, you
behind
got
the
paid
behind the scenes to the entire thought process,
Yeah.
everything.
I think that's the issue though. The issue is that people want to be rich now, and that is kind of impossible, man. You can't just get rich now.
It's not about rich now. I just hope this ride lasts as long as possible. It's just getting better and growing and becoming a better person, better human being, a better, better trader, or just overall optimizing your overall existence.
Oh.
That's what it should be, Fuck, I want the money. I said it before, right? When you go to the gym, guys aren't really there like, oh, I can't wait till I'm big. No, they just want to go to the gym and get it in, right? Get better, get bigger, and get away from the rest of their problems, their life, Tune out the noise. Come here to tune out the noise.
We may get a closure. We might get a closure.
It's coming, bro.
We have 1 minute for a 1 hour close. I think the 1 hour is closing heavily bearish. Back into the range we go. So that's a good
Got
thing.
1
though.
minute.
That is definitely a good thing. But yeah, I mean, you broke the 4 hour lows here too. So you just need a closure below again. What was it? 1878? That's it. Just need a closure. You think it sells with the rip? Yeah, if you close below, I'll take off the rip. Or depending, I'll usually say something, and once we close, like, oh, I need a topic here, or I'm waiting for this. So you didn't close below. I don't think you closed below on the 5 yet. You're still hovering above it. You haven't closed below yet, but if you can close below maybe in 10.5, 10.10, 10.15, that's not too bad. There's no stops though because there's no trade yet, right? Don't worry, guys. We may get something.
Be patient, yo.
Things take time.
You ain't wait like a couple hours just to impulse right now.
Yeah,
man. It's not worth
exactly.
it.
Like, how dumb could you be right now to wait 3 hours for a trade just to impulse a trade because you waited too long for a trade? Like, you waited for no reason then in the first place, right? You might as well just go ahead and, overtrade the first thing in the morning. It's like saying you go to a casino, you fucking spend 3-4 hours at a casino hovering around the break-even point just to fucking go all in on one trade and lose all on one trade. You might as well have done that in the first place, as in your first hand. It's a waste of time. It's like if you waited 3 hours and you just throw it away just to impulse trade, you wasted those 3 hours. But if you're patient and you survive 3 hours without taking impulse, you made it through. That day is a success. This beats being in office for 8 hours. Yeah, I mean,
Facts.
it is.
Look at me, bro. I just troll, come on YouTube, make some money with Don and Wix, and I just lose sleep, but my pockets are fat.
Earlier on, I saw ComFX. I was in the Zoom. His eyes was just like this. The moment I said the word buy, I tested out. I said the word buy. He's like, what was on one eye? Did he say buy?
I might fall asleep, but Don knows my number. He can text me.
Not gonna lie, I don't got your number.
Come on, bro. You got my billing address, my fucking email.
He
Man,
got
can
it
dox
all.
me.
Hey, your account balance is 1.9 mil. Ain't gonna do that. Thanks, Don. You're an amazing young guy. Thank you. Thanks for coming by and showing love. What's Calm's background? He's Lao.
I'm Sagan.
Huh?
When you going to Vietnam, Don? When are you gonna go?
I'm going to Vietnam. My parents are going next month. I'm not going. I'm busy at work, but I don't know. Maybe soon. I want to go. I want to eat some seafood there.
I'll link you there.
I bet. Gotta meet Marcus and Bally.
Mm-hmm.
I've been in Vietnam? Yeah, I have. I have. Been when I was 6, when I was 11 years old. I want to go back though. I'm sure my family's still in the same crib. A big crib too. Bro, I thought Vietnam was like I went to Vietnam last time and everyone's driving Mercedes Benzes and stuff. I'm like, wow, what the hell? I can't afford that shit over here. That's crazy. Some parts of Vietnam are just like that. They just got like that. There's a bunch of what's it called again? Those bikes, those mopeds. We're riding the moped, and then there's a bunch of guys with cars and Mercedes Benzes and stuff. Yeah, the price is 3x the size though, right? It's expensive to get a car there. That's crazy. What's the point? Imagine M4 in Vietnam.
Almost a pista right there.
The hourly closed below.
Yeah, the hourly. You're 4 minutes late. The hourly closed below. Wait, did it? Yeah, it closed back into the range, like right below the most
Back into
recent.
the range.
Yeah, I got range to fill. Let's see. 4 broke the lows too. I really wanted to see below 78 closure below. The 1 hour is not too bad off of that. The outlook on the 1 hour is not too bad.
78245.
You want to speak English? Speak a little bit of it.
Dongak.
Sloth mob. You're Kieran. Is your favorite animal a sloth? You're sloth mob, right?
Yeah, one of. I used to just get called a sloth for when me and my friends would hang out and get high, and I would just.
I see where this is going.
Yeah,
You'd be like the fucking sloth in that movie.
Zootopia or whatever.
Zootopia, when they're just like moving slow.
They'd ask me to like pass them their water. I'd be like, "Are you fucking kidding me?" I'd look at them, I'd look at their water, I'd be like, "You're right there," and then I would just intentionally take like forever to do it because they're being just as lazy.
This is how they were moving at
We're
Turks
about
and
to get
Caicos.
copy striked, bro.
Yeah, I know. I can't play the whole scene. It's funny because it's on YouTube, but I can't play a scene from YouTube. It's weird. All right, gold. I'm giving you gold. I'm giving you maybe an extra 15 minutes here.
And then Wordle.
Yeah, I'm giving you maybe until 10:15. If nothing happens by 10:15, then I'm calling it a day.
Honestly, we could do Wordle right now.
No.
And see if anything happens.
No. You know what happens when you do Wordle? You
Yeah,
lose
but
viewers.
people leave, but you gotta leave as well, right?
Well, we got time.
We're gonna leave. We're gonna lose streamer really soon. So before we lose streamer, we're fine with losing viewers.
There could be a trade here. The thing is, they can still flip bearish and drive down in like 10:15. You know, I wouldn't have caught any moves today. Even looking back, chat, like even looking back at today and looking at every single movement in the charts, I wouldn't have caught anything today. Nothing. These aren't my positions to take. Like this, debatable. But, I just want it below 78. I really want it below 78. And that's what I'm gonna wait for.
You want to do what to 78?
Hey, yo.
When you let her go.
What?
You guys wait for a closure in a 1 hour or 15. The higher time frame is always a better closure. So you want to dissect the higher time frame to the smaller time frame. If the 1 hour is closing below the range, ask yourself, how does the 15 look? Is the 15 closing below a range as well? Is there a new support in the 15? If so, move your line down a little bit. So yeah, those things matter. Those time frames matter. You want to be able to look at every time frame and can't tell a story using all time frames. Because if you don't, then you'll be too heavily locked into one time frame, and you'll be too heavily locked into two tunnel vision to one time frame. You won't be able to see the bigger picture of the higher time frame, what that's trying to print. So you gotta be able to read both, right? Now, when you leave, are you going to look at the charts and follow the plan we've been waiting? Sometimes, but today, no. Today, I'm gonna go and just call it. I mean, we had a pretty good week so far.
Great week.
Like, there's no need to really force anything, just yet, or no need to force anything at all. Like, not today. No, probably not today. I think tomorrow though, maybe yeah. Or not tomorrow. Sorry, CPI on Tuesday. Yeah. You have more volume that day, but I'm thinking what if price stays in this range here? What I'm thinking is that price may just be waiting for CPI news on Tuesday, and that might move the markets finally. But until then, we can't do much about it. Tell Jimmy he smells. What? Jimmy ain't here.
Jimmy's at the rave, bro. Come on.
With $200 after 2 months, how much you think you can make? Wrong question to ask. Nothing.
1
man.
million.
I don't know. If someone were to ask me 3 months ago, Don, you deposit 147. What do you think it's gonna be? I didn't give it. I don't know. It could be anything. I have no goal. It can be 200K. It could be negative 147. It could be a milli. I don't know. I just kind of come back the next day, look for my trade setups, and take them according to risk. And over time, my account balance grows, and that's it. But yeah, I don't know. Like, there's no goal or predictions for my account. Like, it can be anything. I don't have a goal or anything like that, and I don't think traders should have a goal like that. Having a goal is not good for you because it forces you to do certain things that you wouldn't usually do in the first place. Like, I don't know. No goal, no target, nothing. Just trade the markets for what it is and what the market gives you. Don't think too hard about that stuff. About your account, at least. Trust me, man, your account will be fine if you use proper risk.
We ain't even out in Turks. She finna take sand. Riding around with my FN.
You never check account balance? No, I see my account balance, but I never have goals for my account balance. Like this account, like I don't have a goal. I don't have a target. I just kind of withdraw when I feel like it, and in terms of making profits or taking losses, it just comes naturally as my as I take trades following my plan. Like, a lot of traders will look at this, or a success trader will look at this, which is the playbook. They'll look at this and be like, okay, what can I take tomorrow? Or what can I take next? And if this is all you follow, this playbook, this will come naturally over time. But you need this first to have this. You can't have this without this. It doesn't work. A lot of traders don't care for this and they just focus on this. So you're looking at the wrong things, man. Do the wrong thing, you know?
Hey, but where's the website at, bro?
Yo, for real, man. Where is the website at? I don't know where the website is at.
This shit coming out on Valentine's, like I said, bro.
This is it right here, but I don't know, man. It's not looking good. I don't know where it is.
You're about to have to make that shit yourself, and it's about to be come out way earlier than what they delivered.
2024.
They promised November.
No, yeah, November they promised before December, and then
no. Here's the thing. You gave them a timeline. The initial timeline was Christmas, or you told them beginning of December. Initial timeline was like beginning of December before Christmas, and then you had to rush it and told them earlier to try to November. And then
I think Mr. Banks paid them off to delay you, bro, so he could release SRC.
Boy.
But if you stop this promotional shit here,
No, but isn't it funny? Isn't it
He's on
funny
payroll
though,
by
bro?
the other guy.
Because you did like tell all the chat that you're releasing something, and then right after you said that you're releasing something, other people come out with shit, bro. That's so crazy,
Hey,
man.
don't worry. We're gonna have it's gonna be called, what should we name it, chat?
Semen.
Man, only OGs know where that came from. That was a
I'm
long
still not
time ago.
mad.
That was
That's
that
crazy.
was a long time ago.
That's crazy, bro.
That was a long time ago. You gotta pay taxes? Of
See,
course
I
you gotta
bet-
pay taxes. If you don't pay taxes, you're gonna get the CRA or the what do you guys call it in America? The CRA or the IRS. Yeah, come at you guys. You gotta pay taxes.
Just throw all that shit in your ledger. You're good.
Direct account, man. Direct account Blueberry always. It's smaller spreads, lower spreads. Did you enter a long? No, I did not enter a long. Did not enter a short. I am in no positions, and I'm waiting for a closure below 1878. And if you don't get a closure below 1878, then I get no positions. It looks like we may be calling it a day very shortly here, chat. Very shortly.
Wordle.
Cayman Islands deposit. What are you gonna do? Arrest you? Yeah, if you avoid taxes long enough. Yeah, of course they will do that shit to you. Come on.
Let's be honest, chat. Y'all ain't making enough for the IRS to come to y'all. Am I lying though, bro? You see, Wix is laughing because he knows I'm fucking right.
Hey, man. IRS. I'm not gonna lie, man. The thing with IRS, man, is that they'll never tell you how much you gotta pay.
But they know exactly how
But
much you owe.
they tell you how much you gotta pay, but they'll not tell you if you're right or wrong. If you're wrong, then fuck it, you're screwed. If you're right, then they'll never tell you you're right. So you gotta keep guessing. It's like, man, I gotta reconsider. You know, like I gotta get a bunch of accountants to double check this stuff.
I gotta get an accountant from my accountant.
Yeah.
Yo, if you move out to Miami, let me know, bro.
You're from Seattle, though. Not even from.
Bro, I can get a condo out there, easy peasy.
Hey, who invited this guy to this trip?
Who gave a course away to me, bro? That's crazy, bro.
Oh, you won a course giveaway? Was that you?
Come on, man.
I know Sharif won a course giveaway, but you won a course giveaway too.
Hey, yeah, bro.
Sharif, shout out to Sharif, man. Every day this guy's been coming every day on a live since before Wix 9, I think. Or was it after Wix 9? I don't know, but
that's when you know giveaway, I'm an OG, bro. I won a fucking course giveaway. I'm an OG, bro.
Yeah, shout out to Sharif because he actually won a giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway soon once West comes out, by the way, too. But Like, look at this giveaway.
I can tell you exact what date I want it to. I just gotta check our DMs.
I didn't know you want to give away. That's crazy. Actually, I think I remember a little bit.
Yeah, you said that you said it was worth a Lambo.
Hey, bro.
April 13th.
13th or 30th?
13th.
Oh, you won in 2021. You won it a little later.
Yeah. And then you can look,
Oh, wait,
bro.
hold on. Is this the day Jimmy almost won it? Oh, wait.
Look, you mixed my
Yeah.
name with someone else. You doubled that shit too.
Oh, yeah.
I just messaged you right away.
Oh, damn. I didn't realize that. Wow. That's crazy. We got a closure, did we? Almost. Almost, you guys. Almost. Almost. Yeah, you got about 34 seconds left, okay? Be patient. Wait 34 seconds here. I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this to the left here. And it looks like we're going to mirror this to the left here. This here. This here. Every time it goes below range, it kind of came down, right? It kind of came down towards these levels here. So 74 is your target roughly, but didn't get close just yet. Just yet, chat. Almost.
I got head out. I got physio.
Oh shit. All right, man.
Peace out.
Peace,
Love.
love.
See you guys
Calm.
later.
I mean, start Kieran.
Damn, damn, that's crazy.
Sorry, I
Alright.
wanted the wrong guy. to
Grenade
leave.
in the book. What's your dog's name?
Hashi.
Call him Pashi next time too.
Alright, guys. See you later.
See you later, alligator.
Is that Wix11 in the chat?
Yeah, she's in the chat. What up?
Wix
hi.
11.
No, say hi.
Are you gonna have Wix 15, Wix
Wave.
16?
Wave to them.
Gotta say wagwan to the chat.
Yo, you're gonna have Wix 17, Wix 16 one day? Are you done?
Well.
Now, Wix not has 3 girls. No
I
boys.
could not have a girl. I'm getting a, what's that called? The IVF? There's no way I'm having a girl, bro.
Calm scaring her.
Blink twice if calm scares you.
Oh
There
shit.
you go. She blinked twice.
Wait, how
You don't want me
how old is
trade.
she? 4?
This one is 3.
Mm.
The other one's 5, and she's in the other room playing Roblox. And then the third one is in school.
Roblox, huh? If it ain't Fortnite.
That's who be giving Wix the signals during Asian.
What's the price target? If you close below 1878, then you're looking at roughly 1875, 1874. You're looking at these levels to the left here, right? So that's if you close below. So we gotta see if we close below or not. We gotta see. Cause it looks like I gotta call it a day here, chat, because it's almost 10:30 and I gotta go be somewhere at 12 a.m. and then it's raining outside and I gotta take my sweet time driving today, or else you guys ain't gonna get enough signal from me tomorrow. So I gotta be extra careful today in the streets. Extra careful.
Have you taken that M4 to hockey practice yet?
No, bro, it's crazy. That's why I got it.
That's like pulling up in a new whip to your team, to your new team, your new arena. You ever seen the players come back after
Don't leave,
summer break?
don't leave your
With a new
gear
car?
in there, man.
Now I'm gonna leave my gear right in the passenger seat. Yo, hockey equipment's It does not smell
I
good.
know, bro.
Hockey equipment is
It
different.
reeks.
It reeks real
I used to
bad.
have to be a catcher, bro, and that gear smelled so bad.
Yeah, I played volleyball, basketball. That stuff does not reek.
Love you.
Hockey is just different. Why they so rushy, main? What do you mean? Who's so rushy?
Closure, belosure? Question mark?
So Russian.
John, I don't know if I have time being a trader because I actually gotta go. I actually have to be somewhere today. Like usually I gotta be somewhere, but I'm like, you know what? I can delay it a little bit. But I actually have to be somewhere today, so like
We'll see. It might close like right above that line.
I told myself I'll be here till 10:30, but 10:30 in terms of like ending the stream. If I'm in a trade here, this might be until 11:30, and I gotta dip. So I might gotta call it. Like to be honest, if anything, it's in the center channel, but let Wick sub for an hour. Yeah, Wick's time. Hop
Yo,
on. Start
I'll
the
host.
stream right now.
I'll host for the hour. Just let me take over.
Yeah, you know. I rethink that one, man.
The viewers are about to go up, bro. Trust.
Yeah, I do a live simulation stream, man. We did do one. I'll do one again. I want to find a better. Yo, chat. What are some good softwares out there for simulations? Like I know some good ones, but I want to find better ones. Like
You don't like soft?
soft. I like it, but it doesn't work for me anymore.
Yeah. What is it that you don't like about it? It's just
What? Like about what?
soft forex.
No, I like it. I just think I can't use it no more. It's just it doesn't work on my desktop. When I try to download the files, it says some error stuff.
And you paid for it? You don't, or is
Yeah,
it the
yeah,
leaked
I
version?
paid for it. I had access to this from time. I don't know. Let me try to download again. But
Because my leak version works.
I tried to leak one too because someone sent it to me. That didn't work. And my real one doesn't work as well. So I'm trying to do I'm trying to use FOREX Simulator, but FOREX Simulator wasn't as clean for me. Damn, this is a nice closure too.
Yeah, this shit's coming down.
Yeah, I got dip. Let's see. Where stops?
Yeah.
Half of chat's in right now.
I know chat's
No,
all in right now.
Too soon.
Yeah.
Too soon.
Chat is all in.
You still got
right
5
now.
minutes till the 30, guys. Just realize that it could push up, make that top wick.
We have a 34 minutes here. That's what we were looking for earlier. Yeah. Very close belosure. Sheesh. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait 4 minutes. See what happens.
I wish
It
it came,
should-
I wish
it could
it came
drive.
earlier because like
Yeah.
we would have been in
Yeah.
like swimwear. Just I'm afraid like if I get in a trade, it might be. Because
Yeah.
sometimes the trades
You
play out within 5 minutes. That's an hour.
hmm
It's
And you got
just-
that little point of interest right there on that rejection wick too to the left. It might just bounce right off of it.
I will say though, if it breaks this low before 10:30, I'm sorry to tell you guys, but that's it. That's the move. It's just in a drive all the way down. This is the same trade took yesterday, I think. Same exact price point. Same everything.
Let's go live. No, we'll be live at 8 p.m. tonight. In about 9 hours.
Send me the Zoom link? Question mark.
Well, I'm gonna ban this guy off my stream.
I'm about to make so many more accounts.
Don, why is this guy not a Discord mod?
Because he's a
Don't do
goat.
it, bro.
He's the admin actually.
If Don gives you the admin or the Discord
He's not gonna
mod,
do that, bro. He's not gonna do that.
Hey,
Chat's
chat,
freaking out right now, bro. They're
Yeah.
freaking out.
yeah,
right
chat.
now,
Who's in
bro.
position right now? Don't forget that in 10 seconds. No, it's not about me getting
Yeah.
there. It's just like I have an appointment at a certain time. I gotta be there.
Yeah, I'd go break even if I were you fuckers, man.
I mean, he ain't wrong. If you guys had any interest here, you'd be break even here. But let's see if it pulls back with the minute as a wick fill, I may consider it. Let's see.
Hey man, it was called out on the stream. Break of the 5-minute low right there.
The
We
5
just didn't
closure
take
below.
it. Yeah, it was called out, man.
It was a weird time where I had to tip off.
Hey Don, you know this guy Wix, bro, during news one day gives credit to King for telling him his news, and I put it right in the chat before him. I was like, bro, what are you doing? There's news. 5 minutes. Gets no credit whatsoever, bro. It just ignores me every day. Ignores me. Day after day, just ignores me, man.
Wix, man, come on. What is he doing?
But trade's called.
As I dip off, it was a
Wordle?
weird timing chat, is it? But yeah, it was definitely like, it was like if I didn't have to dip off, then I would have just been fine with it. It's not even about like being. It's not even about being in a trade before 10:30. It's more so about how long it will last. Because I don't know how long it's gonna last. It could have been 15 minutes, 20, 30. Could have been 5. In this case, it was 5. It was like a minute or 2. But like again, you have all this clean traffic coming down towards 74, 71. If you want runners, just sure stops and profit. 10%, let the rest rock. You should get another push like yesterday here. But yeah, this looks great though. This looks lovely. But for me, looks like I'm gonna call it a day here, chat. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Okay. Wix will be streamed tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. If you guys took positions, pat yourself in the back. Good stuff. Congratulations. It was your position. Yeah, I had no positions today. Just weird timing. Like we've been here since 6:30. We waited for this move since 6:30, and we couldn't just. It was just. I had to dip, or I have to dip.
Yeah,
right
look at
now.
stops now, bro. Stops now on this 30.
Yeah, stops.
To
They were
fill.
fine. It was like around 50 pips or something.
Yeah.
That's our usual stop usually. Like 40 pips, maybe you're looking at 57. You want to stretch it. Yeah, pretty clean. But yeah, chat. I mean, that's it for me. I got a dip. Congratulations. Sorry we couldn't take it with you guys, but I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I don't think I have time to play this game. It was Wordle.
Wordle.
Fuck. Okay, I'm
Alright,
gonna do a Wordle.
Okay, let's do it. No, yeah, not the other games. That's what I was
We
gonna
can
say.
do a
Yeah,
Wordle,
just
but
one
not the
Wordle.
other games.
Yeah.
Cause I got a dip. Yes,
Just
take
one
it.
game.
Wix, yes, take this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, pretty sure everyone fucking took it. If you didn't, like, there's no reason not to take it. It's our
What
trade.
am I gonna sit here and be like, yo, I'm not gonna lie, yo, I'm in this fucking trade? No. Like,
Yeah, everyone, it's our trade.
I'm pissed as fuck. He's gonna get another one within the next hour. Whatever you gotta do. he's gonna
Just
do it.
wait till 5 minutes after the stream, Wix. He's gonna be in. Signal chat about to be popping.
No,
'Cause he won't have to. He won't have to lead the stream. He can trade on his phone, and wherever he is, whenever we come back and make another resistance, we're gonna retest the lows, and that's when Don will be driving down with us.
No.
Other than that, before you guys leave for Wordle, are they already all left? Asian session, 8 p.m. Eastern. See you tonight. Trade.
Fate.
Stale.
Stayed. Stewed.
Stale.
Plate. No,
That's
T's in
the-
the second letter. So it's like state? No, it's not state. It's
Stale. L-E.
No, oh.
Steak.
s-
Yeah, steak. Why not? There's steak and there's steak.
shout out. I was gonna say shout out Drake.
Bro gets paid shit ton for that.
Yeah, bro has that shit in his bio. I can only imagine.
Gets paid a shit ton for that.
Stave.
Stage.
Stage. Stage. Yeah, stage. Hey.
Hey.
I'm
Alright,
saving it
Podium.
today.
I
Now
got
we can
no
go.
time
We can
for
go.
other games tomorrow, so I'm gonna call it. I gotta dip. I'll catch you guys, alright? Stay safe out there. If you're still trading today, make sure you wear protection. Make sure you use a stop loss. And catch you all in the morning. Another day, another
Make sure
See y'all
plan.
Asian.
Make
Yes,
sure you use the
sir.
handbrake. Handbrake.
Yes, sir. Peace.
Yo,
Later.
peel out for me.
Huh?
Peel out for
For
me.
what? Oh. What? Not what I
I'm just gonna be safe in the industry right now.
Chill, Wicks.
I'm gonna just be
chill,
safe.